You are the guy जिसने मुझे बोला कि भाई पॉइंट्स पे जिंदगी शुरू करो. Like I was like a UPI guy. यार उस दिन के बाद से पैसा नहीं रुक रहा है बॉस.
5 फैमिलीज की फ्लाइट कैंसिल कराता है सिंगापुर एयरलाइंस में और उसका 100% रिफंड भी लेता है. यार 100% रिफंड कौन देता है, कैसे होता है?
Was that breakfast पे करने के बाद भी उन लोग ठंडे कंट्री में ठंडा ब्रेकफास्ट देते हैं.
उसमें आप चढ़ के जाओगे और बोलोगे अंदर समझ hello good morning what can I have it for you. We ended up paying 15,000 rupees. 15,000 रुपए. 15,000 रुपए 4 लोग. तुम्हें एक तरफ आदिल दिखेगा ये जो प्लेट है, ये जो पूरा प्लेट एक है, इस पे पूरा अमेरिका टिका हुआ है और इस प्लेट के दूसरी प्लेट के बीच में वाटर है जिसमें पूरा यूरोप एंड रेस्ट ऑफ द कॉन्टिनेंट टिका हुआ है. इंसेन है भाई वो. दैट लावा इनसाइड द अर्थ इज हीटिंग अप द स्टोन्स एंड द प्लेट्स अराउंड इट एंड वाटर इज गेटिंग ट्रैप्ड. उस वाटर की वजह से स्टीम बन रही है और ऊपर जा रही है. यार क्या फिनोमेना है यार, मतलब मजा आ गया था देखे. दूसरा विक, वन ऑफ द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल टाउन्स आई हैव सीन इन द वर्ल्ड. और वो ग्लेशियर में से आइसबर्ग टूट रही है और आइसबर्ग गिर रही है एंड बड़े बड़े चंक्स ऑफ आइसबर्ग तुम्हारे सामने. तुम्हें ना सडनली एक मुझे ऐसा लगा मैं एंटार्क्टिका में आ गया हूँ. वहाँ पे जाके उसने खड़ा किया, कहता है यार यू आर स्टैंडिंग ऑन द ग्लेशियर. ट्रक आपने ग्लेशियर में पार्क कर दिया क्या? हम नीचे गिर गए तो कहता नो दिस इज वे डीप सो डोंट वरी अबाउट इट. यू गो इनसाइड, यू हाइक अप एंड द अनयूजुअल आइस केव बिकॉज़ इट लुक्स ब्लैक फ्रॉम द आउट एंड व्हाइट फ्रॉम इनसाइड एंड द ग्लेशियर इज मेल्टिंग.
Why am I not surprised? ये एजेंट है.
मुझे इसको लगता है
पैसा नहीं मिलता लेकिन.
हाँ, एक तो भाई बोलता है इसको साला ये भी पता है कि कौन सी एयरक्राफ्ट में कैसी सीटें हैं. बोलता है ये तो पुराना एयरक्राफ्ट है, इसमें तो जाना ही नहीं है आपने, इसका बिजनेस क्लास थका हुआ है. कार्ड इंट्रोड्यूस किया भाई ने. 1 साल में लड़का एमिरेट रेड से एमिरेट गोल्ड.
Flashing bright, we're on the go. Tune in now, there's so much to know. Earning bits, travel dreams we sow. All aboard the Great Indian Points and Miles show. 0 to hero in the blink of an eye. Fly first class, no need to be shy. Redemption sweet, touching the sky. Award seats booked, let's give it a try. Award seats booked, let the points flow. It's all aboard the Great Indian Points and Miles show. Unlocking journeys wherever you go. The sky's the limit, feel the travel mojo.
Hello and welcome to the Great Indian Points and Miles show. This is your host Adil Bandukwala and this show is all about where we convert your dreams into real world itineraries fueled by those magical things called points and miles. Joining me on the show, like always, is my co-founder Mr. Dhimant. Dhimant साहब की speciality ये है कि वो हर point, हर रुपया, हर पैसा स्प्रेडशीट पे रिकॉर्ड करते हैं. And he's the only guy who I've seen who measures पॉइंट्स पे आरओआई कितना मिला. हम लोग स्पेंड्स पे आरओआई देखते हैं, भाई साहब पॉइंट्स पे भी आरओआई देखते हैं. क्या हाल है भाई? वेलकम टू द शो.
All good, all good. I mean, honestly, I have been one of those guys जिसको I genuinely believe कि points is not rupees, but there is a equation, right? Once you get deep into the game, you know कि यार इससे 1 रुपया भी बन सकता है, 4 रुपया भी बन सकता है. So I would say like get into the game. Once you're better at the game.
मेरे को पता है क्या लगता है, तुम्हारी एक पॉइंट्स की वसीयत है. There is a will that Dhimant has written saying that this is my points जायदाद. जब हम निकलेंगे यहाँ से, ये मेरे चाहने वाले फॉलोअर्स को शायद थोड़ी बहुत मिली जाएगी.
ये मेरे को बहुत ही अच्छा आइडिया है. बताया तुमने, सही आइडिया दिया. तुमने लास्ट टाइम बोला था ईपीएम होता है जो आईसीआईसीआई, उससे आप बच्चे को एड ऑन कार्ड दे सकते हो. नाउ टू मोटिवेट किड्स टू यूज दैट कार्ड एंड गेट पॉइंट्स, यूज कि भाई तुम्हारे लिए वसीयत में छोड़ के जाने वाला हूं पॉइंट्स पे.
Speaking about wasiyats.
What a way to introduce.
Speaking about wasiyats, we have a very, very special guest on the show. I met this gentleman about 3 years back. Met him in Goa for the first time, which is a certain someone's favorite destination, like we all know. And then ever since we met it, from day one, we hit it off. We've hung out over evenings, in days, we've chatted about careers, about lives, about vacation, about having a good time, about all kinds of things in life. First of all, gem of a guy, super humble, down to earth, works for a big company called Exotel, which is one of India's most celebrated SaaS icons. But uska CMO hai banda. ही इज द चीफ मार्केटिंग ऑफिसर ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर कंपनी, बट ऐसे मिलता है जैसे अपना भाई है. सेकंड द गाय हैज अ ट्रैवल बग. जब पूछो, जब भी फोन करो, भाई क्या हाल, सऊदी में हूं, करूं थोड़ी देर में. भाई क्या हाल, सिंगापुर में हूं, करूं थोड़ी देर में. बोला भाई यार तुम्हारा ट्रैवल मोड ऑन तो ट्रैवल प्रो मैक्स है. विद दैट उदित, वेलकम टू द शो, थैंक्स फॉर कमिंग.
थैंक यू आदिल, मजा आ गया यहाँ पे आके. क्या बात. मैं सोच रहा था कब बुलाओगे यार. सो यू आर द गाय जिसने मुझे बोला कि भाई पॉइंट्स पे जिंदगी शुरू करो. ठीक है, I was like a UPI guy and I was like ठीक है, I was like not really so conscious about it. फिर आदिल ने शुरू किया, यार उस दिन के बाद से पैसा नहीं रुक रहा है बॉस.
एक मिनट, there is one Gujju on the show already, ठीक है, but if there is someone who is 2 कदम आगे of that Gujju, it is Agarwal साहब. And I tell you why. आज तक मैंने एक बंदे को नहीं देखा जो 5 फैमिलीज की फ्लाइट कैंसिल कराता है सिंगापुर एयरलाइंस में और उसका 100% रिफंड भी लेता है. यार 100% रिफंड कौन देता है, कैसे होता है ये?
यार अब क्या कर सकते हैं, वो सिंगापुर एयरलाइंस है यार, बेस्ट एयरलाइन है. वहां पे जाके बोला भाई क्या, यू नो व्हाट, वी ऑल बुक डिज्नी क्रूज. नाउ हमने अपने ख्वाब बना लिए, डिज्नी क्रूज जाएंगे, सिंगापुर जाएंगे जनवरी में, एंड यू नो ऑल फैमिलीज, एंड आई वाज द वन लाइक हु ब्रिंग ऑल ऑफ दीस पीपल टुगेदर, एंड दैट गॉट कैंसिल्ड. Not cancelled, but pushed out. Now we just can't make it to the new dates. And all of us had booked tickets. Now, being Singapore Airlines, we booked it in like, we didn't have so much points. अभी जर्नी शुरू हुई है, आगे करेंगे पॉइंट्स पे. तो
हम लास्ट में, हमारा एक ये है, हम लास्ट में ना एक सेक्शन है जहाँ पे हम सबके पॉइंट्स बैलेंस कैलकुलेट करते हैं. वो करेंगे कैलकुलेट, और फिर क्रेडिट कार्ड लिमिट्स भी लेते हैं कभी कभी. तो फिर सॉरी कंटिन्यू.
तो अब सिंगापुर एयरलाइंस में कैंसिलेशन चार्जेस भी लोगे, तो कुल मिला के अक्रॉस 5 families we were about to pay some 2 lakhs to the Singapore Airlines as cancellation, right? Because it's the minimum cancellation that you take, like 7,000, 8,000 bucks per person, right? So we just tried Singapore Airlines calling up कि सर ये देखो, ये नेचुरल डिजास्टर तो नहीं है, पर मैन मेड डिजास्टर हो गया है.
डिज्नी में डिजास्टर
हो गया है, अब कुछ तो हेल्प करो.
कौन सी एयरलाइन ऐसा देती है यार? मतलब मैं बोलता हूँ ना, अगर किसी चीज को शिद्दत से चाहो,
एमिरेट्स देती है.
भाई का फंडा है.
अरे ईमेल करा, सब कुछ करा, अच्छे लोग थे, उनको बोला, समझाया, उनको अपनी दुविधा बताई, गरीब लोग हैं, कुछ कर दो.
गौर से देखो इस इंसान को, सीएमओ टाइटल वाला बंदा जो पार्टनरशिप्स भी हेड करता है, जिसके पास थोड़ा कोटा वोटा भी है, ये बोल रहा है गरीब लोग है.
नो बट आधे घंटे में शायद ये पॉसिबिलिटी है कि आपने बोला होगा कि मैं आदिल का दोस्त, तू शायद यू नेवर नो दैट वर्कड.
वो रब ऑफ हो गया होगा.
वो शायद
मैं बोल रहा हूं, वेलकम मूवी भाई ने देखी है, उसमें नाना पाटेकर का डायलॉग है, ये हमारे लाइफ के नाना पाटेकर हैं, भगवान का दिया गया सब कुछ है, दौलत है, शोहरत है, इज्जत है, पॉइंट्स है, लेकिन रिफंड चाहिए. रिफंड नहीं छोड़ेंगे हम.
तो जैसे उन्होंने बोला रिफंड, हमने कहा ये तो वाह, चलो बहुत.
एक मिनट धीमंत, क्या खा रहे हो ये बताओ.
यार मैं खा रहा हूँ, इट्स एग्स बेनेडिक्ट विद स्पाइसी चिकन एंड सम एवोकाडो एट द साइड. So this is something that
यार ये it doesn't look like a traditional Benedict, right? मेरे को लग रहा है कि it is like chicken खीमा with like a Benny with hollandaise. साइड में तो garlic bread भी दिख रहा है.
यार तो मेरा जनरल प्रॉब्लम ये रहता है एग्स बेनेडिक्ट के, कभी-कभी people make it really bland, right? So this when I heard spicy chicken, I was like यार चलो spicy भी कुछ है. So if I mean talking like a healthy guy, health focused guy, फाइबर भी है, डिश पे प्रोटीन भी है, लाइक कार्ब्स भी है, दिस इज लाइक अ परफेक्ट ब्रेकफास्ट फॉर मी.
फील भी है.
और तुम्हारे जैसा डिस्क्राइब करने वाला दोस्त भी है.
I think what I am curious to see is if this gives competition to our ghee podi Benedict. अगर क्योंकि that is the only ghee podi Benedict which is like the slightly मसालेदार देसी Benedict version.
ghee podi chicken.
Correct.
चलो शुरू
चलो उदित आप बताओ ये क्या खा रहे हो?
यार ये एग फ्राइड विद एवोकाडो ऑन द बेनेडिक्ट बंस. सो मैंने इस डिश को थोड़ा कस्टमाइज करा. जब मैंने देखा धीमन ये ऑर्डर कर रहा है तो मैंने बोला ठीक है, मैं भी ये ऑर्डर करता हूँ. एंड देन आई सेड ओके फाइन, इंस्टेड ऑफ पोच्ड एग आई विल हैव अ एग फ्राई ऑन टॉप.
फ्राइड एग.
और आई हैड ट्राइड दिस हियर लाइक मल्टीपल टाइम्स. यार ये बहुत सही बनाते हैं, लाइक लिटरली. तो Yeah.
Amazing. Chalo, indulge. And for our viewers, what I am having, it's unbelievable. ये सुबह में हम 9:30 बजे shoot कर रहे हैं. Luckily, what they agreed to do for me is prawn on toast. So here what you have is some fiery Asian prawns, and that's on a loaf of sourdough. I'm going to ignore the salad, but I'll dig into the carbs and protein. So with that, शुरू करते हैं. We were talking about your Disney trip that you had
but
planned for.
Before you go into the Disney trip, I have a question on the cruise, right? Because you said something really interesting. Singapore Airlines की तो हम तारीफ तो करते रहते हैं. Let's talk about a little bit about when did you book that cruise? Because as much as I know, it had not even launched. What happened? Like, when did you plan for it? And talk a little bit about that process.
So I have a 6-year-old, right? And she's very fancy about, and which kid is not? And I was like tracking Disney cruise for some time, and most of the time it is in Europe, European waters or US, and it's like a little longer leg for you to go and travel. Then when I heard that Disney cruise is coming to Asia, and they have not very clear about the itinerary, and I said, boss, this is we need to book. And you won't believe it. The day they opened the booking, right, within a week it was sold out. Like, you were not getting preferred cabins, you were not getting preferred dates, you were not getting preferred like a 3-night or a 4-nighter journeys, right? So we just booked it. So to answer your question, about a year before.
लेकिन एक सच बात पता ना, लाइक आपने इतना जल्दी इसलिए बुकिंग किया कि बिकॉज आपको थोड़े से फ्लेक्स मारनी थी अपने वाइफ और किड्स के साथ कि यार मैं तुमको पहले सेलिंग पे ले जा रहा हूँ,
डिज्नी पे लेके जा रहा हूँ मैं.
दैट्स सीएमओ स्टाइल, यू नो.
पहले ही बोल दिया. और देखो, पहले ही उस टाइम पे प्लान किया कि बॉस देखो विंटर हॉलिडे है, लेके जा रहा हूँ, पर विंटर हॉलिडे में नहीं लेके जा रहा हूँ, बाद में लेके जा रहा हूँ. So it is the best one.
I'll tell you one very interesting thing, Adil, and this was something that I caught up a little late because I have myself never booked the cruise, right? I mean, it's on my list, but I've never done it. And what I realized is when you go through the hassle of booking that cruise, it looks very easy, but the sheer amount of type of cabins, you know, they'll throw so much of cognitive load at you, saying कि front है ship का, back है, middle है, ये इससे करीब है, ये उससे करीब है. So how did you choose which cabin to book? And generally what I've realized is, I mean, going through a good agent helps because they know the ships in and out. But how did you make that choice?
Tough hai, to be very frank with you. So there are 3 parts to it, or like 4. One is back of the ship, middle of the ship, and front of the ship. And then the vertical, like the floor of the ship, right? So I just thought, let's take the middle because then it is best of the both worlds, right? You can see the back and you can see in the front.
भाई ने एकदम BST बस की तरह चॉइस मारा है.
करेक्ट है. तो मेरे कोई साइंस नहीं था उसके अंदर.
Got it.
दूसरा vertical is because the higher you stay, the better it's gonna be, right? And a lot of activities are on the rooftop. It's easier to access. So I just took the floor which is available at the highest.
Good way to select.
Good way. And also the front of the ship, I heard that it's like more turbulent, right? So it has a higher motion sickness in case if somebody has it. So it can be a little bit turbulent. तो हमने बोला चलो ठीक है, फ्रंट का नहीं लेंगे, अब हमारे पास चॉइस बचती है, मिडिल का लेते हैं या बैक का लेते हैं. मैंने बोला यार बैक में क्यों जाएंगे, तो मिडिल में जाते हैं.
So Tashi is like my wife. I mean, she knows we are nearing our 20th anniversary. And she knows I have this dirty habit of surprising her all the time. So she's like कि कुछ भी हो जाए, you will not surprise me with a cruise booking. Because she's mortally afraid of turbulence, not turbulence, whatever you call it, the sail ka thing.
The seasickness.
The seasickness, or I don't know, it's called seasickness because when the ship moves and, it just feels a little weird. And she's also mortally afraid of being in between an ocean. Right, जैसे हाइट से लोग डरते हैं. I'm sure there's a word for it, but so she's given me like fair warning. So I know कि वो 20th anniversary पे तो ये नहीं हो रहा है.
रिट्स कार्ल्टन के थोड़े यार्ट एक्सपीरियंसेस हैं, बता रहा हूँ. वेरी योर टाइप, पर्सनालिटी को भी सूट करेगा.
किसी और को लेके जाना पड़ेगा. को नहीं लेके जा सकता.
Oh, that's a revelation, हाँ? किसी और को लेके जाना पड़ेगा. पहले ही माइंड में रख दिया.
बेटी की बात कर रहा हूँ यार.
Do you know इसका धीमंत को what the audience has nicknamed? So बॉम्बे का थोड़ा अगर मराठी समझते हो ना, मुंबई स्लैंग, धीमंत को बोलते हैं थाईलैंडचा राजा. जैसे बॉम्बे का राजा बोलते हैं ना, ही थाईलैंड का राजा. तो अभी पता नहीं वो किस डायरेक्शन में जा रहा है, लेकिन ताशी अगर ये एपिसोड देखेगी, पता नहीं तुम्हारी क्लास लेगी या मेरी क्लास लेगी.
मैं माता पिता को लेके जा सकता हूँ, बच्चे को लेके जा सकता हूँ. किसी और का मतलब ये थोड़ी होता है कि तुम्हारे दिमाग
डबल
में
मीनिंग का जो आदमी निकालता है ना विस्तार से, ये हिम्मत नहीं कर सकता है. चलो, with that let's start. The goal today is to talk about Iceland. Iceland is one of those countries which is often associated with fire and ice. And पहले तो इसका कैपिटल सिटी प्रोनाउंस करना इतना हार्ड है, Reykjavik. Yeah, is that correct or is it something else?
Reykjavik.
Reykjavik. So now if you're going to Iceland, I mean, it's magical. We've seen all those pictures, igloo hotels, so much to explore. The entire terrain is so beautiful. Udit, you've been there. Mr. Dhimant, आप रिसर्च मार रहे हो फिलहाल में. If you want to go to Iceland, it could be on the cards potentially next year, but you're trying to decipher if you want to go or not. So today's pod is really about unlocking Udit's experience and deciphering insights from Dhimant. Ki, what is the prep one needs to do when trying to plan for Iceland? Second, if you go there, what can you expect? But शुरू इससे करते हैं. Udit, why Iceland? You went to Iceland. Why Iceland? इसके बारे में
Interesting question है. So summer holidays and we were wanting to go for a destination. Usual destination यूरोप होता है. तो हमने बोला यार यूरोप चलते हैं. So one of the question is like यूरोप में बहुत चलना पड़ता है. I have a 6-year-old daughter. वो चल चल के बोर हो जाएगी. उसको कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं आएगा in terms of looking the ancient building, churches and all that. तो हमने बोला यार क्या करें. So I have a very close friend of mine, Piyush, right? And I generally consult him and then find him. He said, boss, Iceland ja. And it's an unusual Europe. So I wanted to go to Europe, but I don't want to go to Europe.
okay,
You know,
yeah.
it's like that. And Iceland happens to be that place, it is unusual Europe. You will have the medieval part of, like the ancient part of Europe that you will get it, but you will get the nature like to the next level. You get activities like a next level. You get jaw-dropping scapes, which kids have never seen it. I said, dude, yeah, chalte hain. And the best part, dude, you don't have to walk much because you drive in that country.
Yeah.
You drive. So over, like, I was there for 7-8 days. I drove about 1,700 kilometers. Like, it's outstanding. So one, in-country access, moving around, seeing things around, have so much variety for all ages and for all genres. And it's unusual Europe. So you are in Europe, but you are not in Europe.
Very good question. I think two follow-up questions. One, you said you drive in Iceland. I think the first question that everybody asks me, what international license do you need to drive in? What do I need to do to prepare for driving that? Is there like a license that you buy from here, or like what do you do?
Interesting. So Iceland is very tourist friendly country, right? So I use my Indian license.
Oh, they accept it?
They accept it. You can drive there for a month on that license.
Wow.
It's absolutely okay.
You don't need an add-on international permit
Nothing
to
is
it.
required. Nothing
Wow.
is required. You go book a car, right, and give your Indian license. You can drive there for a month. Of course, after a month, then you need more. But
You are anyway arrived in life if you're there for more than a month.
oh, yeah, I agree with you.
License is the least of your problems.
License. And yes, if the traffic fines and all are huge, like if you are a little familiar about that.
It's a right-hand drive or left-hand drive?
Left-hand drive.
Oh, achha.
Left-hand drive.
That's
But-
another challenge.
Dude, गाड़ियां ही नहीं है सड़क पे. चलाना इतना आसान
That's a
है.
fair point.
ट्रैफिक
That's
ही
a
नहीं
fair-
है.
That's a fair
वो
point.
पहली कंट्री देखी जहाँ पे ट्रैफिक लाइट ही नहीं होती ज्यादा.
My problem with so I drove I was driving in Italy and it's pretty simple actually to drive left-hand drive. The problem is once in a while your subconscious just kicks in when you're taking a turn, and that's where I think the challenge is. How do you control your subconscious, right, by driving? And again, I almost had like a very small accident in Italy because of that subconscious nature. So that's always my worry when I'm driving outside. on
So
the left-hand
आइसलैंड में
drive.
मुझे वो सब चिंता करने का जरूरत ही नहीं था क्योंकि लोग ही नहीं है. एक्सीडेंट तो तब होगा जब ट्रैफिक होगा.
That sounds interesting. But you also said that it's unusual Europe. Is it also unusually expensive Europe? Like, because a lot of people speak about the cost of going to Iceland. So talk a little bit about it.
It is definitely very expensive. Well, I haven't seen an expensive country like Iceland.
Why do you say that? Decode करो.
So
Like break it down into
हाँ, and give a
categories.
comparison,
like,
yeah.
खाना expensive है, accommodation expensive है, like touristy activities expensive है, activities expensive है, flights expensive. If you can just break it down for everyone,
Yeah.
that'll be helpful.
So I'll tell you, from an economic standpoint, you don't have many people there. It's a developed country. Okay. So the per capita income is higher. You have less number of people, like per square kilometer, the population is lesser. So the service component becomes very expensive. Okay. The second, the number of places where you stay are very less. Now, for example, Wick in Iceland is one of the most beautiful places. One of the most beautiful places. Adil, you have only 2 hotels there.
Wow.
Now, other things are hostels. And their hostels are not what we think hostels are.
Yeah.
They're like really kick-ass ones.
Acha.
And then you have Airbnbs, apartments kind of a thing, right? Out there. So when you have such a scarcity of places to stay, obviously the price is going to go up.
Fair. It's a supply demand problem.
Supply demand problem. And Iceland is like a concentrated tourist times, right? Where you have more people coming in and coming out, right? So when you have less number of people, you have higher service component, then you have less places to stay. Of course, the overall place would go expensive.
But Udit, can I put a match to it? Because this is very important. Because see, I've gone to the Western Europe so many times now that in my head, when I'm planning a Europe trip, I typically budget even for a normal hotel. I mean, which is not like a kick-ass hotel, like a 3-star maybe or a 2-star sometimes. You're 15,000 per night. इससे नीचे तो मतलब you are taking a risk by going in that hotel.
Yeah.
What is that number for Iceland? Like how much should I budget for a hotel in Iceland per night?
First of all, you have to figure out a thing in Iceland, place to stay
Okay.
versus I want a hotel.
Okay. Fair.
It's a difference.
क्यों?
I'll tell
I'm
you.
also curious. Yeah.
Hotel is mind-boggling expensive. Service नहीं है.
Break it down. थोड़ा range दो ना. Like कितने
Like for
रुपए
example,
लगेंगे?
Hotel is about like 35-40K a night.
A night.
A night.
And
Wow.
what kind of hotel are you talking
A
about?
Marriott, like for example, I was looking at a Courtyard Marriott in Reykjavik for a one night stay during the dates that we were traveling, because it's also a shoulder season. That was about 35-40K a night.
Courtyard Marriott.
Courtyard Marriott. It was like, dude, like I just don't want.
Yeah.
Then because we were two families, right?
Yeah.
We took an apartment.
Okay.
Now, Iceland is also important, a location where you want to stay.
हाँ.
Because if you stay a little far off, you have to travel every time for every small thing.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
And sometimes you don't want to. And you want to stay in the middle of the... 2 night के लिए रुके हो यार, vibe वाली जगह पे रुको.
Correct.
तो बताओ कौन सी जगह है जहाँ पे you can stay?
So Reykjavik, you stay near the your famous Reykjavik church, if you have seen it, right? So there are multiple streets around Reykjavik church. So you find anything which is around 1.5 kilometer. It's a very nice happening area. If you go little outskirts, then it's like cheaper, but then you won't get the vibe.
Correct.
In the night, right? Out there.
तो
So
आपने कैसे बुक किया? Airbnb किया आपने?
Airbnb किया हमने.
अच्छा.
So for us, like an apartment costed us 30,000 a night.
And
But this is for 2 families.
2 families.
And was it 2 BHK?
2 BHK.
ठीक है.
30,000 a night.
It's beautiful.
No. Nothing, no food,
Fancy. Yeah, no
nothing.
foreign fancy.
You have to do everything.
Yeah.
Hotel is 35,000 rupees a night.
And that's per room because
Per
they will
room,
have
per
this.
room.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's
Dude.
painful, man.
Dude,
Yeah.
it doesn't have breakfast. They don't have a culture of breakfast. Huh? Breakfast करो, बाहर जाओ, कैफे में कुछ
Dude,
खा
तुम
लो.
ब्रेकफास्ट की बात करो. मेरा सबसे बड़ा गरियाना था व्हेन आई वेंट टू माय फर्स्ट यूरोप ट्रिप वाज दैट ब्रेकफास्ट पे करने के बाद भी उन लोग ठंडे कंट्री में ठंडा ब्रेकफास्ट देते हैं. बोला कुछ तो गर्म दे दो यार. द मोस्ट आई वाज एबल टू गेट वाज बॉइल्ड एग्स एंड रिक्वेस्ट बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली इट वाज नॉट अ हाई एंड होटल. इट वाज अ मिड टियर होटल. सो इवन ब्रेकफास्ट आर नॉट सैटिस्फाइंग इन एवरी होटल दैट यू गो. लाइक सो
सर ब्रेकफास्ट जैसे इंडियन करते हैं ना वैसा नहीं मिलेगा.
इंडिया इज अ कंट्री दैट स्पॉइल्स यू भाई. यहाँ पे
Amazing.
जो हमारा कल्चर है, जो हमारी हॉस्पिटैलिटी है, ये दुनिया में कहीं नहीं मिलती.
Oh, that reminds me. If you look at the 50 recent hotels list, top 50, look at the number of Asia Pac hotels.
there you go.
Yeah.
Kick-ass.
Yeah.
Matlab, clearly, it's if component was hospitality as part of judging a hotel. I mean, nothing beats Asia Pac.
तो तुम्हारे आंसर करता हूँ.
हाँ जी.
होटल तो महंगे हैं,
हाँ.
दाब के. आपको रहो अपार्टमेंट में,
हाँ.
सेंटर ऑफ द सिटी.
हाँ.
दैट यू शुड बी चॉइस एंड यू वुड बी ओके.
ठीक है.
फूड, अरे भाई क्या एक्सपेंसिव है. तो एक दिन हमने सोचा सुबह सुबह चलो चलते हैं. एक छोटा सा बस कैफे था वेयर it's a small school bus kind of a thing. It's very famous, like a school beans cafe or something like that. Underneath the nice hills in Wick. We went there. आदिल कुछ भी नहीं है. एक छोटा सा बस है जिसके टायर बेकार हो चुके हैं. वो आधी बस जमीन के अंदर है. उसमें आप चढ़ के जाओगे और बोलोगे and there's somebody, hello, good morning, what can I have it for you? ओके फाइन, ठीक है। तो हमने सोचा चलो कॉफी पीते हैं यार और एक कुछ सैंडविच ले लेते हैं, यहाँ पे अच्छा लग रहा है, वाइब अच्छी है क्योंकि बाहर लाइटें वाइटें लगा दी हैं, हवा बहुत प्यारी चल रही है।
हाँ
कॉफी लेने गए यार, एंड साला मैंने कन्वर्ट किया 750 रुपए का कॉफी। मैंने बोला इसमें तो 2 आएंगी, बोलते ना इट्स 1। तो मैंने बोला सैंडविच ले लेते हैं एक, 1200 रुपए का सैंडविच। हमने कहा इससे तो, और एक सैंडविच और एक कॉफी से भाई नहीं होएगा ना, नहीं होएगा, राइट?
बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल पॉइंट बोला। I'll tell you a very controversial thing, right? People say that when you go to Europe, and especially let's say Italy as an example, हम इटली गए थे, and people say कि you eat pasta there, pizza there, and you don't get fat, you don't put on weight. Dude, the food is so costly. We measure our money so much while eating that a lot of times we lose weight because of that. Because you eat limited. It's not because if you walk, because the ingredients are better.
Dude.
You're simply measuring what you eat.
I tell you, one day we were so hungry in the evening. And when you go into a cold country, na, you tend to feel more hungrier.
Yeah.
हम लोग बहुत भूख लगी थी। हमने कहा यार बच्चों ने बोला पिज्जा खाते हैं, हमने कहा चलो पिज्जा खाते हैं। एक बड़ा, सिर्फ एक पिज्जेरिया है पूरे टाउन में, एक ही पिज्जेरिया है।
Sure.
और है ही नहीं
पूरे टाउन में एक
विक में, विक इज अ स्मॉल टाउन।
चलो अपन जाके पिज्जा खोल देते हैं वहां पे। अभी
तो
हाँ, वो तुम्हारा इंतजार कर रहे हैं ना कि आओ हमारे
आओ।
कंट्री में जाके नौकरी करो।
एक पिज्जेरिया है और बड़ा फैंसी सा नाम रखा हुआ है, ब्लैक क्रस्ट पिज्जेरिया, और बड़ा फेमस है क्योंकि एक ही है।
हाँ
तो वहां पहुंचे, हमने कहा पिज्जा खाते हैं। आदिल, हमने बोला, हमने रेट ही नहीं देखे, हमने कहा यार खाओ,
हाँ
ठीक है। हमने कहा यार पिज्जा खाओ, सब बच्चे सब पिज्जा खा लिए। We ended up paying 15,000 rupees, 15,000 रुपए।
कितने लोग के लिए?
15,000 रुपए, 4 लोग थे हम लोग, 4 adults and 1 my daughter. My daughter just took 2 slices, उसका हो जाता है उसमें। उसके बाद मतलब कुल मिला के हमने 3 पिज्जा ऑर्डर किए थे, एंड मे बी 1 सॉफ्ट ड्रिंक।
हाँ
एंड वी डिडंट गो फैंसी, मुझे गार्लिक ब्रेड भी चाहिए, मुझे चीज भी चाहिए, मुझे डिप्स भी चाहिए। भाई ऐसा कुछ ड्रामा नहीं है, हमें नॉर्मल खाना चाहिए जो पेट भर जाए हमारा। 15,000 रुपए, 5,000 रुपए का एक पिज्जा।
So, okay, is there a way to hacking the food scene in Iceland? Is there a way to save money? Or every place is expensive? So, if you want to enjoy food, so let's break this question. First question is, what is local food in Iceland? Would we want to enjoy it? Is it good? Will Indians going to Iceland enjoy local cuisine? Second, if it's international cuisine, should we go spending or are there ways to hack your way through food? कैसे किया आपने?
देखो, Iceland is, I'm a vegetarian.
हाँ.
Iceland is all about non-vegetarian. It's a paradise.
अच्छा.
Now, Iceland, if you go to have Icelandic hot dog. Icelandic hot dog.
Is this pork, beef or chicken or
I
what?
have no idea.
इसके लिए जो भी वैसनी है वो हॉट डॉग है, उसका कोई
वो
फर्क
hot
नहीं
dog
पड़ता।
है
Because the
उसमें।
max that Udit has gone in the food journey is egg.
Egg.
Egg के आगे भाई गए नहीं.
गए नहीं है।
हाँ.
तो Icelandic hot dog खाओ। I hope it is affordable because a lot of people
हाँ.
are eating. It's a street food out there.
अच्छा.
Good. The best way to save money on food out there is go to a Kronan, which is their what you said, department store.
Yeah. It's like a 7-Eleven.
7-Eleven.
हाँ.
Kronan जाओ या Bonus जाओ.
हाँ
There
जी.
are 2 places.
हाँ.
It is there everywhere, and you have sections of places where you can pick up processed food,
हाँ.
frozen food,
Yeah.
or raw things that you can make.
अच्छा.
You make a choice. What do you want to do? Every place.
So did you all do a lot of this, given you all were saying is service apartment? There, I think you would have access to a kitchen, microwave,
yeah.
whatever.
Yeah.
So did you all end up doing that as well?
Yes.
Achha.
So what we used to do, we used to buy breads. Then you used to buy some cheese. You want to buy eggs. You want to buy like a couple of other things. You have like a cooking place out there.
यार आपने नीतिका से ये भी करवाया हॉलिडे पे?
मैंने भी किया भाई।
ये
मैंने किया
जो
है
बनिया है ना आपके अंदर,
भाई। बनिया नहीं, पेट का सवाल है।
Sir, I have been judged by Adil once before also like this when I spoke about Switzerland. It was my first international trip, second year of working, and we carried MTR packets with us to Switzerland because of the simple reason that we couldn't even afford a McDonald's veg burger. I'm being very honest. 12 euro का था, 12 Swiss francs. But we couldn't afford it. It's
So
as simple as that.
जितना
देखो
kind of
ये
packaged
बंदा
food.
हम्बल बन रहा है। दुनिया में सबसे शौकीन आदमी है ना, मेरे सामने बैठा है उदित अग्रवाल, और दूसरा जो बैठा है बरगंडी प्राइवेट वाला, ये कम नहीं है। हम्बल कार्ड कम करो थोड़ा, ठीक है? बट अग्रवाल साहब, हाँ मैं बोल रहा था यार नीतिका से काम करवाया यार वहां पर भी।
यार मैंने किया यार, ऐसी कोई बात
मैं
नहीं है।
पूछूंगा फोन करके,
हाँ,
मैं
पूछ
लगाऊंगा
सकते
अभी
हो।
फोन, बोलूंगा आई एम सिटिंग विद योर हस्बैंड लाइव फेस टाइम पे लूंगा अभी मैं।
पूछ सकते हो, वो कोई इशू नहीं है। तो मैं और हमने बाय द वे पैकेज फूड भी लेके गए थे, क्योंकि भाई इंडियन है, मैं तो मतलब दिल का देसी आदमी हूँ। एक बार एक मील इंडियन चाहिए अपने को भाई, नहीं होता है मेरे से रोज ब्रेड ये वो। रात को आके दाल चावल राजमा चावल गरम करो और खाओ। और यकीन नहीं मानोगे, बाकी के जो लोग थे ना बोलते हम लोग थोड़ा इंटरनेशनल खा सकते हैं, हम लोग ये खा सकते हैं। मैंने कहा तुम्हें जो खाना है खाओ। जैसे ही खुलता था पैकेट और आती थी फ्रेग्रेंस, सब लोग भाई 2 और लगा दो।
नहीं, but I'm exactly the opposite, right? I actually, again, I feel very stressed when I'm going there and somebody tells me कि local food नहीं खाएंगे and Indian food खाएंगे. I feel very stressed because I feel, for me, any one major reason of going to a new place is to experience the culture. And for me, food is culture, right? So actually, my next question was that one of the reasons why I like to go to new places is to experience the culture. So talk a little bit about the food culture. Like you said, the hot dog, that was very interesting. And jitna mujhe pata hai, by the way, they don't have chicken. They have only lamb, pork, beef in the hot dog. So
Yeah,
that was, I understand. But talk a little bit about the local culture there. Like what do people eat? Like did you experience anything? I know you're a vegetarian, but at least talk us through like how does the food culture
Iceland,
work?
people are very worryless, very cool, calm, like happy going people. मुझे लगता है कि जिंदगी में सब कुछ इनके पास मिल गया। दे हैव एक्चुअली ट्रूली अराइव्ड काइंड ऑफ अ पीपल। किसी को भी देखोगे ना तो उतना पैसे का टेंशन नहीं है लाइफ में, बिकॉज आई थिंक गवर्नमेंट इज कवरिंग अप अ लॉट फॉर देम। एंड हैविंग सेड दैट, you go to any places to drink or pub, they'll have their good Icelandic beer, right? It's a cold country, still Icelandic beer. You will have brands out there. And for eating, I think the food is, यार बहुत bland है यार उनका खाना। Like they will have like steaks, like bland. I could not say कि बड़ा Icelandic food type लगा मुझको। But हाँ, Icelandic hot dogs were everywhere.
It's like the vada pav.
It is like a vada pav
Or dosa
everywhere.
of-
Like
dosa of Bangalore.
correct. Everywhere it is. Even in the nicest of the restaurant, you will get it.
So I'm sure people who are seeing this podcast who have been to Iceland, drop us comments. Let us know if you've been to Iceland. What have you eaten there? Like, because I'm very keen to know. I want to go there. I want to experience more food. Veg, though, my wife will take recommendations from Udit for sure. And I also want more recommendations. So awesome. Man.
तो चलो अभी इस पे आते हैं कि we spoke a little bit about accommodation, we spoke a little bit about food. Let's talk about what do you want to see and where one should go. Like for example, जो भी मैंने रिसर्च किया, आपसे बात होती थी जब आप गए, आप फोटोज भेज के मेरे को इंस्टाग्राम पे भेजते रहते थे और मैं देखते रहता था यार कि अपन भी जाएंगे किसी
अरे
दिन।
मैंने आपके लिए रैकी करके आया हूँ, दोबारा जाऊंगा आपके साथ।
But this reminds me of a very interesting story. I met Udit first time at a party, the New Year party that you had invited me to, and we met Udit. And
उसको भी 1 साल हो गया यार,
उसको भी
करना है
Imagine-
ना दोबारा करना है ना।
हाँ बिल्कुल करेंगे।
So introduce किया मुझे, मैं बात कर रहा था. And I happened to ask him, he also said, I'm a Miles Enthu card, Enthu शुरू किया है journey. I asked him, आपका कौन सा कार्ड है? He said, मेरे पास platinum charge है. मैंने बोला, हो तुम असली आदिल के दोस्त. Because if your first card, then I asked him, what is your second card? Then he said, I have Emirates Emerald metal card. I said, okay, then you are definitely Adil's friend. And then I was like, कि चलो इसको पूछते हैं, what airline adventures do you looking forward to? He said, Singapore Airlines. मैं बोला, अच्छी पढ़ाई हुई है मतलब आदिल के साथ. So that was the first
मैं
experience.
बोल रहा हूँ ना, ये अपना भाई है तो हमारी वाइब चेक बहुत सॉलिड है।
No, but I think the very interesting thing about that discussion, which I remember, and it's connected to your question you asked, I was telling him that New Zealand is on my list. And he immediately said, New Zealand se better Iceland karo. So when you're answering his question, also try and cover why you felt that way, that ki Iceland is a great place, you know, people who are also considering New Zealand, wahan nahi jana hai, to why Iceland is a good backup as well. I mean, talk
बताओ,
about
बताओ,
that.
इसी से
That's a
शुरू
great
करो।
question.
So, Iceland versus New Zealand. See, Iceland is a small country. पूरे कंट्री का चक्कर, पूरी कंट्री का चक्कर तुम 2 दिन में लगा सकते हो. Right? So, it's about 2,000 kilometers ring road that you can do. New Zealand is like from Auckland to Queenstown, you might have to take 2 flights, right? The expeditions are very spread out. Very, very spread out. You need time, you need more endurance to do New Zealand. But for Iceland, I think I find it more accessible, more fun, yaar. I'm very curious to see volcanoes. यार मतलब होते क्या है? Not that I wanted to go into a volcano. It's like a volcano scape, dude. It's like a earth which is shallow. So it has very interesting areas to offer. जो न्यूजीलैंड में मुझे लगता है it's just nature. Which is न्यूजीलैंड is also good by the way, like glaciers and all this है. यार मैंने कभी नहीं देखा था कि ब्लैक बीच कैसे हो सकता है. मतलब हाउ इट इज ब्लैक बीच पॉसिबल. मैंने व्हाइट सैंड बीच देखा है, गोल्डन सैंड बीच देखा है. भाई व्हाइट ये ब्लैक बीच क्या होता है, वो कैसे बनता है ब्लैक बीच. Oh, that is interesting thing that Iceland can offer.
I think great point. Udit, one more thing you said. If I have 7 days instead of 14 days, because मुझे लगता है New Zealand cannot be done in 7 days. Like because whatever I have researched, every time I'm pressure saying कि यार 15 दिन के नीचे जाऊंगा तो मैं कुछ बिल्कुल ही justice नहीं कर पाऊंगा. Can I go to Iceland in 7 days and come back? Like 7 days plus 2 days of travel. Is that like good enough?
कर सकते हो. मतलब you would
Can you
be.
do justice?
You can do justice to 70-80%. I would say Iceland still
Requires
maybe
how
2 रात और add कर लोगे, 9 nights कर
9
लोगे
days.
तो you would be far more satisfied.
Yeah.
But 7 nights is also good enough. मतलब I did 8 nights, so that should be good enough.
यार तो इस पे आते हैं. जैसे आई थिंक what people are really excited about when you talk about Iceland, एक तो golden circle की बात होती है, but very interestingly this is also called as a fascinating triangle. तो ये circle है, triangle है, क्या है ये थोड़ा बताओ, because the
Geometry
internet
revision.
can be a confusing thing, right? Somebody says it's a triangle but it's also called the golden circle. ये second you spoke about the south coast also, क्योंकि आपने बोला black beaches, वो south coast में बहुत है, और waterfalls वहाँ पे बहुत अच्छे हैं ऐसा सुनने में आया, right? So for example ये दोनों कैसे करें when you go there? How long do you need to finish South Coast? Golden Circle है क्या चीज, और वहां पे कितना टाइम लगता है, और आपने क्या किया वो बताओ, and then we'll dig into it.
So देखो गोल्डन सर्कल ना शेप पे मत जाओ.
हाँ,
सर्कल का मतलब आप रेयाविक में आए हो और आपके पास 2 रात है,
ठीक है जी.
तो आपने क्या करना है, तो आपने वहां पे there are 3 things. One is geysers. Very interesting. It's the only thing in the world, I think, perhaps that you should see it. It's very cold as a country. The name suggests it. Now, they're hot springs, and so I'll come to that a little later. And then you have Thingvellir National Park. Very interesting. उसका जाके नाम देखना, शायद मैं सही बोल पा रहा हूँ, Thingvellir National Park. But when you read it, the T is written like a P.
अच्छा.
So I thought it's Pingvellir. Then guy said it's Thingvellir. So that's national park. And the third area is waterfall, which is like very big waterfall. Now, if you are staying 2 nights, आप रेयाविक से जाओ, आप पहले थिनवेलर नेशनल पार्क करोगे, उसके बाद गीजर करोगे, उसके बाद गल्फॉस विच इज अ वाटरफॉल, और वापस रेयाविक आ जाओ. सो दिस इज लाइक दिस काइंड ऑफ अ रूट that you would do
so
and come back.
That's why the triangle.
That's why the triangle.
तो फिर golden circle क्यों बोलते हैं?
It's a ring road, no?
It's like a ring, not ring road, because ring road is like this. It's like a small balloon in the ring road that goes, and it's like a circular route. Like you go like this and come back. Okay. So it's like a.
So basically, you're saying because it's 3 prone, that's why triangle.
Yeah.
But
you come like a all around, right, and then you come back. So once you do that, you've seen some essentials. You've seen a waterfall. You have seen very famous, like, what do you say, tectonic plates phenomena in the Thingvellir National Park. And you have seen the hot springs going up. And you say, ki, chalo, theek hai, and I've seen some kind of nature. And then you come back. It fills you a little.
But I like, this is very exciting, right? Because what I have seen in Europe is that coming from where we come from, most of the times, if I'm driving through or taking a bus or a train, the journey itself is so fascinating कि भले तुम waterfall पहुंचो ना पहुंचो, right? जो रास्ता होता है वो इतना सीनिक होता है. You know, this another big fan following of people who say कि ये route करना है, right? What I've heard that when you take a drive, and again my assumption of Iceland, please break it if I'm wrong, is that you land there, you take a car and you stay with the car for the whole trip or whatever. You take a daily car or whatever, and you just drive through, right? So whatever you see is going to be scenic. Like, minus the fact that you'll also see a waterfall or a beach, but the whole place is very scenic. Is that how should I imagine Iceland as well?
You can, but I tell you, scenic को break करता हूँ.
Okay.
आप बाहर आए, you feel dusty. Dusty.
Oh, acha.
Right. See, because there are lava fields. Lava fields, when it dries up, right? Only thing that grows on it is moss. Trees can't grow on it. So it's not that कि बहुत बड़े-बड़े पेड़ and all that. So it's like a lava kind of like an ice desert, I would say. So you would say yaar ye kya hai, and then you have like a black dust around because of that whole lava in the air. So when you move around, the scenic thing is very interesting because both places lava is there which has been dried for like hundreds of years, और उसके ऊपर वो ड्राई होने के बाद एक मॉस आ गया है. So it's very incongruent thing around. ऐसे ऐसे करके लावा
It's not
है.
like a traditional Europe beauty.
No,
it's
it's
not like
not.
कि तुम एक ये पानी लेक देख रहे हो और माउंटेन्स देख रहे हो, ऐसा नहीं है.
ऐसा नहीं
It's like unique culture and unique.
So dude,
thing.
we like from the airport we went and we put our bags in the apartment, and हम लोग, not even the apartment, we actually from the airport we went, took a car, and from a car we just went to Blue Lagoon. Now it's a hot spring.
Okay.
And when we were going there, the drive was very natural highway. ऐसा नहीं लगा, हमें लगा कि यार
Scenic नहीं था, मतलब ऐसा कुछ नहीं था. Great.
अच्छा ठीक है, आइसलैंड आया ना,
हाँ.
कहाँ है आइस, नहीं दिख रहा है. अच्छा ये कुछ, and people were like,
Ice Greenland में.
यार ये क्या, we came in and then people were like wanting to be excited but then say, should we really be excited? And then we went into an area where some eruption happened about a year ago, so the fumes were there and it was a smell of sulfur. So when you pull down a window, it is all black around you. It is not looking great, by the way, and the sulfur smell is coming. My wife is asking, shall we come to an industrial area? ये कुछ अलग तरीके का वाइब आ रहा है, तुम लोग सही जगह पर आ गए हो. हमने बोला नहीं, सही जगह पर आए हैं. एंड देन वी पार्क्ड आवर कार. इट्स लाइक अ डस्टी फील्ड एंड पीपल आर लाइक, हम लोग सही जगह पर आए हैं क्या? ठीक है. एंड बाहर निकले, इट वाज चिल लाइक हेल. एंड वी वेंट इनसाइड द ब्लू लगून. Dude, in the middle of nowhere, you have extremely high contrast blue color. Temperature of 40 degrees. Outside the temperature is about 4-5 degrees. Like you're shivering out. And the guy said you change it like into your swimming costume, and then you went to the lagoon.
Yeah.
And it's deep contrast blue color. I said ये इतना blue कैसे है? बोलते क्योंकि natural silica है ना. नेचुरल सिलिका की वजह से ब्लू कलर है. आदिल, इट इज आउटस्टैंडिंग. लाइक यू हैव माउंटेन्स ऑल अराउंड, लाइक ग्रे क्लाउड्स वर, एंड देन देयर इज अ लिटिल विंड with a 40-degree water vapor coming out and then just getting into the lagoon. मतलब I'm just picture painting for you guys. Like outstanding.
You're doing a great job of picture painting because वो बीम आता है पता है Instagram पे, बोलता है कि this was your last vacation of the year, right? And they're like, not really.
मेरे दिमाग में कुछ और आ रहा है, वो दूसरा भी मैं समझ में नहीं आया, लेकिन सुन के अच्छा लगा.
No, but
मेरे को actually जाना पड़ेगा because now
तुम्हें जाना
I
पड़ेगा.
really want to go. Yeah.
No, but knowing you, because you've been to Japan twice, and I'm sure you haven't been to proper Hakone and you did that tourist thing. There's a place called Owakudani Valley in Hakone, right? Where similar, you have sulfur smell, and we weren't sure whether we are at a scenic place or not. So I don't know if anybody's experienced that. A lot of people on our podcast are going to Japan. You go to Owakudani Valley. There they have black eggs.
Black eggs, yeah. I've been there.
Yeah, and you're supposed to increase your lifespan by few months or years or something if you eat one egg. I had 4 of them.
मैंने 2 खाए हैं.
मैं 4 खाया मैंने. It was fascinating. So the thing is, I feel that's why I always tell people travel for new destinations to learn कि ऐसी दुनिया भी exist करती है. Right? For me, being in a place where जहाँ पे volcanic eruptions हुए हैं या lava हुआ है, it just sounds like being on Mars. Like Mars तो हम शायद कभी जा नहीं पाएंगे, but maybe like experience this. Right? That's my point of view.
यार नॉर्दर्न लाइट्स के बारे में बताओ, उसकी बात नहीं करें हम अब तक.
Yeah, and is that like even Iceland a good place to watch Northern Lights? If Northern Lights is your main reason, is Iceland a good place to?
यार नॉर्दर्न लाइट्स को डिकोड करते हैं. See, northern lights, do you know northern lights are round the year?
Okay.
Right, it is not that it is only in winters.
Okay.
It's just that winters के अंदर the dark time is higher.
Probability is higher.
Probability is because dark है बाहर. So you could see the northern lights.
Okay.
It's a North Pole phenomena.
Sure.
And it's seen when the weather is clear. Now Iceland के अंदर interesting space क्या है? Weather changes every hour. And I'm not kidding you.
Okay.
I'm really not kidding you. So the day we landed in Reykjavik, it was 18 degrees. I was like, really यार, ये तो कट गया. रेयविक आ गया 18 डिग्री है.
बैंगलोर वाली वेदर.
हाँ, बैंगलोर वाली वेदर आ गया, right? And we were like not packed to carry the summer clothes and all that.
और वो गोल्डन सर्कल को तो
हाँ.
आपने आउटर रिंग रोड बना दिया.
Outer ring road बना दिया.
बेलंदूर सरजापुर.
I swear. Dude, next morning it's 4 degrees.
Wow.
4 degrees.
Crazy.
Crazy
I hope none of
ठंडा.
you felt sick because it's
No.
crazy. Like
Yeah, air is like too clean, right?
Mm.
And adrenaline is so high that it will not allow you to fall sick. And what would happen is when you go such a place, coming back to the Northern Light, the weather is like super clear in the evenings. And you say, आज तो Northern Light दिखेगा. शाम को it becomes cloudy. So you really can't predict whether you can see it or not. But I would say you can go and select the months where the dark time is higher. Like, for example, I went in May where I was getting a sunshine of 23 hours. So,
Sunshine of 23 hours.
23 hours. So, sun was setting at about 2:33 a.m.
Okay.
and it is like a golden hour. I'm thinking golden hour like where you would say like हमारे यहाँ शाम को 5 बज रहे होंगे, 5 साढ़े 5 बज रहे होंगे.
हाँ.
एंड जब हमारे यहाँ शाम को 7 बज रहे होंगे तो उनके सुबह 5 बज जाते हैं.
भाई साहब.
सो सुबह के 8 बजे वाज लाइक यहाँ का 11 बज रहा है. इट्स लाइक टू ब्राइट अ सन ऑन टॉप. सो लिटरली वी जस्ट कांट सी इट.
Yeah.
If you go in April, the sun sets somewhere around 8:39 or maybe 7 to 8 p.m. Now you have a little longer night. Your probability of spotting a northern light is better, right? And just because it's an island, so of course the visibility increases a
Yeah,
lot. You
yeah.
know, you have less buildings and all that, and you can actually see it.
dude, this when you said 23 hours sunlight, it took me instantly back to my college time. So there is a very fascinating book. I don't know if you guys read a lot. I read a lot, and one of my favorite books is Isaac Asimov's Nightfall.
Hmm.
If you guys have not read that book, it's basically the plot summary is that there is a planet जहाँ पे perpetual 24 hours sunlight होता है, because they have 6 suns.
Oh.
तो हर बार कोई ना कोई sunlight देता है तुमको, ठीक है? And one sudden
ये
day,
अर्थ पे ही है.
नहीं, it's a different planet. different planet. And suddenly they realize that one day there's going to be a scenario where there's going to be darkness. And the whole world doesn't know how to cope up with it. It's an amazing, that took me back, man. Like, how did it feel to be in a place where like there is 1 hour night time? Like,
Dude, it was very surreal because I'll tell you what, you were losing time of when you were eating what.
yeah, the bio clock goes for a
Bio
toss,
clock
no?
goes for a toss. Like I remember we were having dinner, which was about 8:39, right? And we were full, right? And then we said ki chalo theek hai, and then we were like full of energy. And there was a puffin nesting site, beautiful place. And see, we chalo wahan chalte hain, right? Abhi to dhoop nikal rahi hai. And we drove there. We drove about 50 kilometers from Vic, and we just went there. And we reached there and say कि it is closed from 8 p.m. onwards. हमने बोला 8 थोड़ी बजे हैं यार अभी, तो बज रहे होंगे शाम को 5. घड़ी में देखा 10:30 बज रहे थे. I was like literally 10:30 बज रहे हैं.
Yeah.
So you just lose the sense of that time यार कि क्या है.
Just like your peanut allergies, Americans also introduced something called circadian rhythm. मेरे को तो मालूम भी नहीं था. After you download a few apps, you'll realize कि there is something called circadian rhythm.
सब उल्टा हो जाएगा.
सबकी
बैंड बज जाएगी.
तो अभी I think what we've done is we've covered experiences, we've covered hotels, accommodation, we've talked about.
मैं आपको उसके बारे में बताता हूँ. हमने गोल्डन सर्कल की बात करी थी.
हाँ.
साउथ कोस्ट बात करनी थी.
हाँ,
right?
साउथ कोस्ट.
Let's talk about
तो अब आपने गोल्डन सर्कल किया. मैं आपको गोल्डन सर्कल की इंटरेस्टिंग चीज बताता हूँ.
हाँ.
आप कहीं पर भी रिसर्च करोगे ना, एवरीबडी वुड से इट्स अ वेरी टूरिस्टी प्लेस, इज एन ओवर हाइप्ड प्लेस, यू कैन अवॉइड. बट मेरा मानना है अगर आप आइसलैंड पहली बार जा रहे हो, मत अवॉइड करो.
Okay.
2 फिनोमेना आपको बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग मिलेंगे.
हाँ.
हमने सबने टेक्टोनिक प्लेट सुनी है,
हाँ.
करेक्ट?
हाँ.
जो अर्थ के नीचे होती हैं.
हाँ.
यहाँ पे आप टेक्टोनिक प्लेट्स अर्थ के ऊपर देखते हो. So there is a divide between the continents.
Okay.
So where the continents are drifting every year.
Yeah.
So tectonic plates are shifting. So because the earth is very shallow there, so you can see the tectonic plates movement. Wow. And some of these tectonic plates have come up. So they say ki this is a North Pacific plate and this is a Europe plate.
Acha.
And you can see them. And there is a lagoon in Thin Valley National Park where you can actually do the lagoon swim. and you can go inside the sea and see the difference between the two plates, and you can see how the world is divided between the two.
Wow.
Water is so clear. तो तुम्हें
Crazy.
एक तरफ आदिल दिखेगा, ये जो प्लेट है, ये जो पूरा प्लेट एक है, इस पे पूरा अमेरिका टिका हुआ है, और इस प्लेट के दूसरी प्लेट के बीच में वाटर है, जिसमें पूरा यूरोप एंड रेस्ट ऑफ द कॉन्टिनेंट टिका हुआ है.
Insane.
Insane है भाई वो.
And I'll tell you one interesting thing, right? He's saying वो controversial take है मेरा. Like I genuinely feel that way, right? You will hear a lot of, if you kind of keep seeing Instagram for a long time, somebody will say कि यार यहाँ जाओ, यहाँ जाओ, यहाँ जाओ. जैसे आपने बोला Golden Circle जाओ. And then somebody, there'll be shift of people saying मत जाओ, overhyped है. I feel certain places are touristy and overhyped for a reason. कुछ होता है वहां पे देखने लायक कि एक बार देखना है जिंदगी में, तो देखो जाके. इट्स ओके यार, इट्स ओके टू बी ब्रांडेड एज अ टूरिस्ट ओवरहाइप प्लेस, बट देयर इज अ रीजन. मतलब ओके, यू कैन नॉट गो टू जापान एंड नॉट सी द आशियामा. यू हैव टू सी इट टू बिलीव इट. लाइक इट्स क्रेजी, राइट? सो लाइक आई जेन्युइनली बिलीव कि
हमने अंडर एस्टिमेट किया था, क्योंकि हमने सोचा टूरिस्टी प्लेस है, हम लोग जल्दी से निकल के जल्दी आ जाएंगे वापस. तो हमने अंडर एस्टिमेट किया अपने टाइम को. जब हम वहां पे पहुंचे, हमने बोला ओ व्हाट इज दिस डूड, दिस इज अमेजिंग. मतलब आई वाज लाइक लिटरली शॉक्ड टू सी कि मैंने टेक्टोनिक प्लेट्स पढ़ी है, मैंने टेक्टोनिक प्लेट के अर्थक्वेक फिनोमेना देखे हैं कि ये होता है वो होता है, बट मैंने सच में देखा कि यार दुनिया हाउ अर्थ इज गेटिंग डिवाइडेड. सो बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग है वो. और वहां पे वी एंडेड अप स्पेंडिंग अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम व्हिच टुक लेस टाइम फॉर अस. देन दूसरी पॉइंट पे गए हम, गीजर. यार सिंपल फिनोमेना है. गीजर में क्या है, एक छोटा सा पॉन्ड टाइप है जिसमें पानी गर्म होता है नीचे से. मैं बताता हूँ पानी गर्म कैसे होता है. पानी गर्म होता है एंड प्रेशर बनता है. उस प्रेशर से एक स्ट्रीम ऑफ स्टीम दैट गोज अप इन द एयर, फटाक. एंड इट्स इंटरेस्टिंग बिकॉज अराउंड यू द टेम्परेचर इज सब जीरो, एंड हियर इज समथिंग व्हिच इज हियर इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू, व्हिच इज 40 एंड स्टीमिंग अप इन द स्काई, एंड इट गोज वेरी हाई. लाइक now that water is getting warmed up because of the lava inside the earth. That lava inside the earth is heating up the stones and the plates around it, and water is getting trapped. उस water की वजह से steam बन रही है और ऊपर जा रही है. यार क्या फिनोमेना है यार, मतलब मजा आ गया था देख के.
What is this place called?
This is called geyser only. कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग नाम होगा उनका. By the way, Icelandic names are very difficult to pronounce. So
ढूंढ लेंगे. So but tell me one thing now, like just to kind of round up this section a little bit. अगर आपको 4 चीज मेमोरेबल थिंग्स फ्रॉम योर आइसलैंड ट्रिप विच यू वुड से कि कोई भी अगर जा रहा है तो 4 जगह बता दो जहां मुझे जाना है आइसलैंड में, जो मुझे आई कैन नॉट कम विदाउट सीइंग दोस 4 प्लेसेस इफ आई विजिट आइसलैंड. टेल मी दोस 4 प्लेसेस. नेम्स छोड़ दो, यू कैन जस्ट डिस्क्राइब इट इफ यू डोंट रिमेंबर.
बहुत टफ क्वेश्चन पूछा है, बट फिर भी ट्राई करता हूँ. पहले आई थिंक तो मेरे हिसाब से थिन वैली नेशनल पार्क जाना चाहिए.
ओके,
ठीक है, क्योंकि वो फिनोमेना मेरे को बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग लगा.
व्हिच इज अ टेक्टोनिक प्लेट.
ओके,
परफेक्ट वन.
दूसरा विक.
ओके,
वन ऑफ द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल टाउन्स आई हैव सीन इन द वर्ल्ड. मैं कह रहा हूँ इन द वर्ल्ड. काफी दुनिया घूम ली है, बट हाँ बहुत नहीं घूमी है. बहुत ही सुंदर जगह है. छोटा सा टाउन है, कुल मिला के 3-4 होटल हैं,
1-2 कैफे,
एक या 2 कैफे हैं, एक रेस्टोरेंट है, एक सुपरमार्केट है.
This I can imagine a little bit. You know, this is something which you can.
कुछ नहीं है यार, and it's outstandingly beautiful. Black sand beaches, and it's like
Perfect.
It's like a fairy tale. That's the second place. The third place, in my view, is you go to there's a place called North Iceland, Aruqueri. It's like a capital of North, and I'm not able to pronounce it better. You can Google it, Aruqueri or something like that. It's a small little town, and there is next to Aruqueri is Husavik. Husavik, where is the whale capital of the world.
Oh,
you do the whale watching.
Perfect.
Out there. And Dhimant, it is like a town of 1 kilometer. And people come here for whale watching. Fairy tale है यार वो.
Fair.
Fairy tale है.
Right. 3 हो गया.
राइट. यार अब चौथे स्पॉट के लिए ना बहुत सारी चीजें आ रही है दिमाग में.
आप बताओ
5 बताओ, 6 बताओ, कोई बात नहीं है.
Whichever are like worthy experiences that people
Without
should
which I cannot
absolutely
come
do.
back.
हाँ,
तो
कि ये तो करना ही है.
एक प्लेस है which is called Jökulsárlón Lagoon. It's basically the biggest glacier in Iceland. मुझे Vianatukul something like glacier. वो glacier melt होके ना lagoon बन गया है. So that is the place where I first seen the icebergs.
Nice.
Icebergs float in the water. And we went until the icebergs, dude. और वो ग्लेशियर में से आइसबर्ग टूट रही है और आइसबर्ग गिर रही है. एंड बड़े बड़े चंक्स ऑफ आइसबर्ग तुम्हारे सामने. तुम्हें ना सडनली एक मुझे ऐसा लगा मैं अंटार्कटिका में आ गया हूँ. तो वो स्केप है. हमने जब सी पे जाते हैं, जब सी पे when the waves come back, what would they bring? Sand. They bring some
Ice.
sea. Here, icebergs come on the sea and sit.
Wow.
That's nice.
Crazy.
So iceberg टूटा, लगून से सी में गया, iceberg float कर रही है, iceberg float करके हमारे sand पे आ रही है. So the beach is like, it's called a diamond beach, and diamond beach and this Yokul Sarlan reservoir is the same place. Mind blowing था यार.
Worthy number 4 for sure.
मतलब ये outstanding था.
Okay.
Like so ये चौथा हो गया, and I think I would say a drive.
The drive through Iceland.
Drive is like outstanding.
So you cannot not go to Iceland and say कि मैं कुछ भी drive नहीं करूंगा, वापस आ जाऊंगा, करो and drive, take a drive.
यार वो आप कर ही नहीं सकते without drive.
Fair.
See, there is
You
no
have
public
to-
transport.
yeah.
There is no public transport. There are no trains.
Correct.
They are buses, but you are bound by their schedules and all, and they'll go from one place to another. And the beauty of Iceland is you cannot time yourself for a destination. कि मैं यहाँ पे 15 मिनट ही गुजारूंगा, भाई मैं 1.5 घंटा गुजारूंगा.
हाँ, why not?
So it is like that. मतलब outstanding.
दिल है छोटा सा, छोटी सी आशा, अभी हमारा मन है तो हम रुकेंगे यहाँ
गुजारेंगे.
पे.
So there is a Viking town. So Vikings happen in Iceland as per the story. And there was a Vikings town. And there's a picture I will share with you. We went to the Vikings cafe. It is supposedly the Vikings had food there. And it is outstanding. Pure black mountain. No greenery. The black stones are rolling down. Right? And there is a town on the side which has it touching the shore. And you have a Viking town.
Got it.
Outstanding.
Awesome. So, Udit, I'm now feeling bad that I asked you only 4. तो और 5 तो आपने बोल दिया, और 2 बताइए, like round it up with let's say 7 total, 2 more things which you can add to this list.
कहने को तो बहुत है, but there are 2 more favorite places in Iceland. One was the Sturlagil Canyon. Now, it's out of the world. So what happens is, Earth is made of cobalt columns. So you go, like you hike down, right? And you will find that canyon is so beautiful with like cobalt. So you imagine the cobalt mountains, right? And the water stream going on. It's blue water with like cobalt columns into it. So Sturlagil Canyon it's beautiful. That's one part of it. Second is the experience in Ice Cave.
Ice cave.
Ice Cave.
Okay, sound interesting.
भाई मतलब अलग एक्सपीरियंस था लाइफ का. पहली बात तो वो ट्रक पे बैठने का एक्सपीरियंस अलग था.
ट्रक पे.
हाँ.
Where
सो
is the
व्हाट
truck?
हैपेंस इज, आप जाते हो विक से लेते हो, विक पे जाओगे आप, वो पहले बुक करोगे, 40,000 रुपए का तो टूर है वो. कोई बात नहीं, मतलब इट्स ओके, खर्च कर लो. एंड देन
आई एम श्योर उस पे भी आपने कोई डिस्काउंट तो निकाल ही लिया होगा.
अरे भाई नहीं निकाला उसमें डिस्काउंट यार, उसमें नहीं मिला. 40,000 रुपए का हमने वो बुक किया. एंड दिस इज अ वेरी बिग आइस ट्रक. इट्स लाइक अ ह्यूज bloody मतलब I haven't seen such big tires in my life.
Okay.
Right, and then went inside, and this the tires have some air air thing, some phenomena that these guys have. These guys like sat on the truck, and then we went inside, going to the ice cave. वहां पे एक कच्चा रास्ते पे रुक गया. मैंने बोला भाई अब क्या है, क्या पैदल थोड़ी जाएंगे यहाँ पे. कहता हम deflating the tires because ट्रक जाएगा नहीं आगे.
Okay.
And dude, we went inside this place which is like covered with volcanic ash, black. And we went inside. वहां पे जाके उसने खड़ा किया, कहता यार you're standing on the glacier. बोला ट्रक आपने ग्लेशियर पे पार्क कर दिया क्या, नीचे गिर गए तो? कहता no, this is way deep, so don't worry about it, you go. I said boss, मैं नहीं मानता ये ग्लेशियर है, ये तो काला दिख रहा है. Because all you feel is that it has to be white, right? Because covered with volcanic ash. You went inside, we hiked up to the top point of the glacier.
Thank you.
And when we went inside, it was like beautiful ice cave, transparent, and like I just can't even describe it what it is.
Interesting.
Most of the shooting of, if you know of this show called Game of Thrones.
Sir, मजाक कर रहे हो आप मतलब?
मतलब Game of Thrones का shooting हुआ है वहाँ पे, multiple places, and these guys will just make you live it for the moments.
For my largest part of my life, I wanted to go to New Zealand because of Lord of the Rings, and now I want to go to Iceland because of Game of Thrones.
But you will feel that you're living Game of Thrones
Okay.
out there. So the whole sitting on that truck, the phenomena of deflating tires and inflating tires basis on the roads, you go inside, you hike up, and the unusual ice cave because it looks black from the out and white from inside.
Interesting.
And the glacier is melting. Inside, in
Awesome.
front of you, glacier is melting.
Perfect.
So like outstanding place.
Perfect. Last one.
So दो बताया मैंने अभी आपको. एक मैंने बताया स्टर्ड लागेल कैनियन, एक मैंने बताया आपको
Okay, done. Chalo.
Ice
Perfect.
cave.
Perfect. One specific question. Do you need special gear to be there? Number one. Number two, do you also, if people have specific walking problems or let's say special needs wale, can they go to Iceland? Because for the largest period, I don't know if my parents can go to a lot of places, right? So can somebody who, or do you need to do a lot of walking or like how does it work?
यार हमने ना आइसलैंड, मैंने कभी किसी कंट्री के लिए इतनी शॉपिंग नहीं करी जितनी आइसलैंड की देखी है, राइट? और वो
उसका
उसका
भी खर्चा
रीजन
बता दो.
यार
Let's talk
उसको
about
मत बताओ यार.
Yeah, checklist.
चेकलिस्ट के बारे में बात करते
So
हैं.
Iceland is very cold. It's windy. It's very windy. तो वहाँ पे टेम्परेचर से ज्यादा feels like देखना is much better because it's very windy, right? So you have to carry layers, multiple layers that you wear, and it's unpredictable weather. तो कभी भी बारिश होगी, कभी भी snow होगा, right? You go into places where your shoes will become wet. So like waterproof shoes is a must.
Okay.
Plus you hike into waterfalls there. You don't see them.
Okay.
You hike into waterfalls. There is a very interesting waterfall called Cielanda Falls, right? Where you can actually hike behind the waterfall.
Interesting.
आप हाइक करते हो और आप वाटरफॉल के पीछे जाते हो, वाटरफॉल आपके सामने है, और अगर धूप निकली तो रेनबो भी दिखेगा आपको.
Wow.
आप उसके बीच में खड़े हो, तो you will
Crazy.
definitely get wet.
And I'm assuming that you can't buy it from there because it's very expensive. Although the gear will be good, but it's super expensive.
धीमन दुकान नहीं होती है वहाँ पे.
अच्छा दुकान
वहाँ पे पार्किंग होती है, आप पार्क करो और जाओ.
Okay.
Right? And people are like two bravos. They go there, even if you don't carry, you get wet. What it is, like you will dry yourself and then you change. That's about it. So coming back, तुम्हारे को waterproof shoes चाहिए, must है, because वो hiking में भी काम आएगा. तुम्हारे को layers चाहिए, depending upon your ability to handle cold, but अच्छो की निकल
भाई
जाती
अगर
है.
आप जवान हो, if your body is moving, I think this is the time to go to Iceland.
Travel,
जाके आओ.
have a good time.
Dude, seriously, man, this, I
Absolutely.
keep reminding this to myself all the time.
आपको चाहिए layers. आपको अच्छा सा rain cover, raincoats. You really
definitely
need it.
can't carry umbrellas
You just
because
can't
of the fact
carry
that
a-
it's too windy and
too windy.
yeah.
Plus you need good caps out there. Like I imagine we went to a place, so there was one US military plane got crashed
Okay.
in Iceland, which is like it just fallen into an area which is I don't remember the area, and there is a special tours that go there.
उनको टूरिस्ट अट्रैक्शन बना दिया उसको.
टूरिस्ट अट्रैक्शन है सर, वो क्रैश प्लेन है, टूरिस्ट अट्रैक्शन है, क्योंकि वो एक जगह ऐसी है कि आप जाओगे तो बोलोगे यार ये क्या है. इट्स लाइक ह्यूज वास्ट लैंड एंड इट इज लाइक कवर्ड अराउंड द स्नो माउंटेन्स, और सब कुछ काला है यार धीमत. एंड सडनली द कॉन्ट्रास्ट इज सो हाई व्हेन यू स्टैंड देयर, एंड the place is situated in a manner that it's very windy. Like it was very, very windy. So you need good gloves,
Great,
caps,
great. Awesome.
everything, right?
So to summarize, you said a wind cheater is very important.
Yeah.
You need a raincoat, which is very important. You need waterproof shoes, you said, which is very
Yeah.
important. Cap, gloves, potentially ear gear if you
Ear
want
gear,
to
yes.
cover your ears
Yeah.
because it's going to be
Yeah.
super cold.
Super
it's very
cold,
important. Anything else that we should keep in
Layers.
Layers,
Multiple
yeah.
layers. Okay.
Multiple
So thermal
layers, yeah.
clothing basically.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you wear clothes where it can give you 2-3 layers. So you wear a cotton layer,
Thermal.
then you wear another layer, then maybe. So there are especially, in this trip I learned there are inner layer to mid layer to outer layers.
So आपने कहाँ? Did you buy from Decathlon? Did you buy from Myntra? Did you buy from Amazon? Where did you buy from?
Dude, this is a specialty clothing, and one place in specialty clothing is Uniqlo.
So you just went to
Interesting.
Uniqlo. Acha.
Interesting.
So
Very
they have something called heat tech fiber.
Acha.
So they are thin, and they give you certain ranges of temperature until where this fabric would hold it.
Wow.
हमारा गरीबों वाला माइंड बोलता है 10x जॉकी ले लो स्मार्ट बाय पे.
But other places
Sorry.
Decathlon for sure.
मेरा दिमाग तो गिफ्ट वाउचर पे जा रहा था. Myntra,
मैंने उससे
5X,
अच्छा बता दिया वो जॉकी 10x बता दिया थर्मल क्लोथिंग.
हाँ. पर यूनिक्लो पे वाउचर ही नहीं चलता यार.
यार बरगंडी है तो
हाँ, अब आया है, अब तुम्हारे साथ बैठा हूं तो अब
मैं सो आई वाज टॉकिंग टू उदित. था उदित का सिर्फ जुगाड़ और लेवल ऑफ थिंकिंग देखो, ठीक है. मैं बोला कि यार ये लेट्स नॉट टॉक अबाउट द कार्ड, ठीक है. सो ही कॉल्ड मी वन डे सेइंग दैट यार मेरा ये सीन है, तो मेरे को एक कार्ड चाहिए, क्या करूं? बोला ये फलाना कार्ड ले लो। यार मैंने सोचा बड़ा नाटक करते हैं वो कार्ड लेने के लिए। बोला हाँ फाइट तो मारनी पड़ेगी। क्राइटेरिया क्या है? मैंने क्राइटेरिया बताया। अरे कोई नहीं, उस बैंक की ना जो एसवीपी कस्टमर एक्सपीरियंस है मेरी बैचमेट है, मैं फोन घुमा दूंगा। ये कॉल अगले दिन बंदा घर पे आ गया, सर क्या हो गया, आपने क्यों क्या किसको एस्केलेट किया?
कार्ड कलर तो बता दो, कार्ड कलर बता दो एटलीस्ट।
ये नहीं बताएंगे, we'll get into
काला
trouble।
है, नीला है, हरा है, लाल है,
मल्टी कलर है, मल्टी
कोई
कलर है।
hint नहीं देने वाला
समझ
हूं
गया मैं,
मैं।
समझ गया कार्ड।
बट सीन ये है कि भाई के घर पे बंदा आ गया, वो क्या हो गया सर, क्यों कर रहे हो ये सब? तो स्वैग उदित का ये लेवल क्या है?
So one interesting question on the to close off that Iceland chapter, basically on the gear piece, is that you buy all these things. Did you also face, because you're carrying a lot of stuff, does it require you to have more luggage, or that become a challenge while going? Because I'm sure you have to carry heavy luggage, right?
No, this is a good segue into flights. So we'll cover the flights that you did as well. And you did revenue.
हाँ.
But we'll come to the points also, which Dhiman can cover. और आपने तो बड़ी फाइट मारी थी, लेकिन तभी हो नहीं पाया था for whatever
हाँ,
reason.
हाँ.
So let's talk about flight. आपका क्या luggage allowance था? आपका
हाँ.
रूट क्या था? वो सब बात करते हैं.
तो दो भाग में बांटते हैं इस क्वेश्चन। एक उसमें क्वेश्चन मुझे बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन, राइट? सी वी वांटेड टू गो रोड ट्रिप, वी हैड किड्स,
Correct.
4 people, and on top we are Indians. We don't carry light.
हाँ.
We don't travel light, dude.
हाँ.
हमारे को हर ओकेजन के लिए कपड़े चाहिए, ओके?
और
पर हम लोग
कभी कभी बैग में।
तो वेट से ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट ये था कि हम गाड़ी में कितना सामान ले जा सकते हैं,
हाँ, अच्छा.
ठीक है?
हाँ.
क्योंकि any SUV you take, even if you open the rears, you just can't fit 2 two suitcases at max. Dude, हमारे पास थे 5 सूटकेस। अब उसमें भी हमारा सामान नहीं आ पा रहा था,
हाँ.
करेक्ट? तो हमने गाड़ी ली जिसके ऊपर कैरियर था, एंड इट्स वेरी नाइस, हाँ, बाय द वे, एरोडायनेमिक वंस एंड ऑल दैट। मुझे बड़ा मजा आया यूज करने में। इंटरेस्टिंगली धीमंत, हमने पैकिंग डिफ्लेटर्स लिए।
That's a
हमने
great add to the gear.
क्योंकि जो आपकी जैकेट्स होती हैं वो फ्लफी होते हैं,
Correct. This
it
will just
requires
suck
a
the whole thing
volume,
out,
yeah.
right? With vacuum. Yeah.
So we vacuumed everything,
yeah.
so it reduces the volume.
कौन से ब्रांड का लिया ये भी बता दो अभी.
Amazon, yeah.
Amazon. अच्छा.
Amazon.com, 250 रुपए की मशीन,
.in.
हाँ, Amazon.in। तो वहां से जाके सामान
ये भाई का जो देसी वाला बने 250 रुपए की मशीन.
we actually used a space so much because it gives you a lot of space.
Correct.
Now weight is secondary because
Yeah.
once you have to fit everything, then second question comes in, अब वजन कितना हुआ है,
हाँ.
वो देखते हैं। पर पहले सामान आना चाहिए, और सामान हमें गाड़ी में आना चाहिए, वो जाना है। तो डिफ्लेटर्स इज वेरी वेरी
good. Perfect. Link डाल देंगे
ठीक है।
in the description.
वेट, अब आदिल से मुलाकात हुई तो जिंदगी में बदलाव तो आएगा ही।
Let me take a guess. Business class.
भाई तो शुरू वहीं से होता है। सर क्या कर रहे हो, लंबी फ्लाइट है, कीड़ा डाल दिया इसने, बिजनेस क्लास से जाओ। अरे आप सोते पे जाओगे, एक दिन क्यों खराब करोगे? उठ के जाओगे, अगले दिन से ट्रिप शुरू करोगे। अरे भाई अभी जर्नी शुरू करिए, पॉइंट्स तो है नहीं, राइट? तो दुनियादारी का डिस्कशन हुआ कि जो थोड़े बहुत पॉइंट पड़े हैं इधर उधर मिला के, लिमिटेड फ्लाइट्स। दिल्ली से एक फिनेयर की फ्लाइट जाती है, हेलसिंकी, दिल्ली फिनेयर,
जिसकी हमने बात की थी।
फिनेयर पे अच्छा रिडेम्पशन है एंड ऑल दैट। हमने सब कुछ जुगाड़ लगाया, धीमन पॉइंट नहीं थे। सब कुछ किया, पर भाई ने हैक दिया बहुत अच्छा। अब हैक क्या था? इसने बोला एक काम करो, आप एमिरेट्स का ना ये एमरल्ड कार्ड ले लो, ठीक है?
Why am I not surprised?
तो भाई ये कार्ड लिया,
ये एजेंट है, हिडन एजेंट।
इसको मुझे
रशियन एजेंट केजीबी होता है,
मुझे लगता है इसको
Emirates
मुझे इसको लगता है
पैसा नहीं मिलता, लेकिन
हाँ,
करते
एक तो
रहता
इसको अमेरिकन एक्सप्रेस से पैसे मिलते होंगे पक्का,
है।
100%।
काश अगर कोई सुन रहा है अमेरिकन एक्सप्रेस से, प्लीज कम, वी वांट टू टॉक।
सेकंड
हॉबी.
या फिर एमिरेट्स। तो भाई ने बोला कार्ड ले ले, पर अच्छी एडवाइस थी। मैंने कार्ड ले लिया, पता 10,000 रुपए का कार्ड है, कुछ कोई 15-20 हजार रुपए खर्च करने थे, 10,000 रुपए पे किए, भाई सिल्वर हो गया। ठीक है, जिंदगी में कभी सिल्वर नहीं हुआ। बहुत एमिरेट्स की फ्लाइट लेनी, मैंने जिंदगी में कभी सिल्वर नहीं हुआ। मैंने कहा चलो सिल्वर ले लिया। एमिरेट्स ट्रीटेड मी लिटिल बेटर देन अदर्स। मेरे लिए अलग लाइन थी, तो मैं सिल्वर करके स्वैग में जा रहा था कि चलो सिल्वर है। उसके साथ मेरी फैमिली थी जो ब्लू पे भी नहीं है, जो उनके रेड पे भी नहीं है।
You booked Emirates from Bangalore to Dubai
to Sweden because I went to Sweden, Stockholm because मेरा cousin रहता है वहाँ पे, then Stockholm to we went there. तो हमने एमिरेट्स बुक किया ना। एमिरेट्स बुक करने के दो रीजन थे। एक तो उस कार्ड पे हमें एमिरेट्स पे मिनिमम शॉपिंग स्पेंड करना था 50,000 रुपीज, ओके। एंड उस कार्ड पे 15 लाख रुपए साल में खर्च करने हैं टू बिकम गोल्ड। अब मुझे एक साल में गोल्ड बनना है, ये मैं गोल लेके चल रहा था। गोल देखो लाइफ में बड़ा अलग है, ठीक है।
ये तभी तुम्हारे गोल हो सकते हैं जब तुम आदिल के दोस्त बन जाओ।
दोस्त के बन
उसके
जाओ।
पहले ये सब गोल नहीं होते लाइफ
तुम
में।
समझ रहे हो? और तुम कमिट बोल रहे हो कि भाई 15 लाख खर्च करूंगा। कहाँ खर्च करूंगा? साल हवा नहीं है, राइट? खर्च करेंगे, देखेंगे। तो हमने कहा तो एमिरेट्स बुक करते हैं यार, कम से कम एक केपीआई तो होगा कि एमिरेट्स पे हमने वो कर लिया। ठीक है, तो जी एमिरेट्स देखी।
पहली बार मैं देख रहा हूँ बंदा केपीआई की बात कर रहा है कार्ड्स में।
एमिरेट्स वाली महंगी आ रही है, यहाँ से लुफ्थांसा सस्ती है। जितने में एमिरेट्स का एक टिकट हो रहा है, लुफ्थांसा वाला 2 दे रहा है। उसके बाद भाई बोलता है, मैंने बोला यार लुफ्थांसा में तो 2 मिल रहा है। कहता है छोड़ो ना, लुफ्थांसा का बिजनेस क्लास। सर आप बिजनेस क्लास देखो लुफ्थांसा का। मैंने बोला हाँ, इसमें तो जितने में एमिरेट्स का मुझे इकोनॉमी आ रहा है, उसमें लुफ्थांसा में बिजनेस आ रहा है। मैं भी खुश हो गया। भाई को कॉल किया मैंने, कहा ऐसे ऐसे मुझे करना है ये।
पेल दिया तुमको।
भाई बोलता है इसको साला ये भी पता है कि कौन से एयरक्राफ्ट में कैसी क्लास सीट है। बोलता है ये तो पुराना एयरक्राफ्ट है, इसमें तो जाना ही नहीं है आपने। तो हमने एमिरेट्स बुक किया। एमिरेट्स बुक किया,
ये ट्रेलर में जाएगा।
और हम पहुंच गए स्वीडन। हमारा एक केपीआई हो गया कि हमने मिनिमम स्पेंड एमिरेट्स पे कर लिया है, एमिरेट्स कार्ड पे। और हमने साल के अंदर 15 लाख भी खर्च कर लिए हैं। तो भाई अब एमिरेट्स गोल्ड हो गया है। तो पहली जर्नी, कार्ड इंट्रोड्यूस किया भाई ने, एक साल में लड़का एमिरेट रेड से एमिरेट गोल्ड।
ये जितना केपीआई बोल चुका है ना, इतना ऑफिस के केपीआई को भी सीरियसली नहीं लिया होगा जितना एमिरेट्स के केपीआई को सीरियसली लिया है। बोलो।
उसके बाद I think it gave me better edge because one, you don't have to stand in the queues. Second, it gave me a 10 kg extra allowance. Third, I was traveling with my family. So in case if there is a little bit of an overweight of the luggage, overall luggage, they didn't talk
bother
much about it. So they were very easy going. We got an Emirates lounge access in Dubai. It's very fancy, very very fancy. I went for the first time, but I was the only silver. But they were kind enough to extend it to my family also. My daughter was 6, so ठीक है, and my wife didn't have it, so चलो ठीक है. So we went in Emirates lounge and all. I think that gave me good experience overall, even at the airports. So I would say it's really worth it.
So silver gives you 10 kg extra.
Silver gives you 10 kg extra.
So 25 would be the default, I'm assuming, and 10 you would have got extra. Okay. So Adil, I have a question for you because this has been something that has been haunting me for some time now, right? If you frequently travel business, does status matter or does status not matter? Because आपको lounge तो वैसे ही मिल जाता है, आपको extra baggage भी मिल जाता है, आपको priority boarding भी मिल जाता है. How should people think about it? Like,
Status always matters, yeah. I mean, Emirates economy itself is such an amazing experience, right? From the seats, the leg space, the cushioning, the in-flight entertainment.
this question is not about only
everything.
Emirates, but in general about most
Yeah,
airlines.
first I'll come to Emirates because of my love for Emirates. But even when you go to business class, and like you say, if you're flying revenue on business class also, once you experience first class, trust me, business feels like economy. It is wild. Like when I did my first class, when I got upgraded from San Francisco to Dubai.
Wow,
Okay.
that's a long leg.
हाँ, तो मैं अकेला था बिजनेस क्लास में, वो पूरे कैबिन में 14 सीट होते हैं, मैं अकेला था 1A पे. There were 5 people to service. It was an incredible experience. Now we've landed at Dubai. I've finished the lounge.
Private jet.
I am checking in now to my Dubai to Bangalore leg. My Dubai to Bangalore leg was business class because it was a business revenue booking.
हाँ.
I upgraded using miles to first. Okay. अब जब मैं आ रहा हूँ ना, when I entered the aircraft, मेरे को business class की सीट छोटी लगी यार. Can you imagine? Now mentally I'm prepared, I'm flying business and I love Emirates business, right? More often than not, I'll do Emirates business only. मैं घुसा हूँ उसके अंदर ना, because I had experienced first, it's such a spacious cabin that you feel business is small.
Yeah.
So the reason I'm trying to tell you that, Dhimant, is even if you fly often, you might be an Emirates Gold, you might be an Emirates Platinum. But if you fly business often, most people don't know, Emirates has a secret status tier that people don't know, which is called Emirates IO.
Oh.
जैसे Accor का एक limitless टायर होता है जो डायमंड के बाद होता है, एमिरेट्स का एक सीक्रेट टायर है जो प्लैटिनम के बाद होता है. So there is red, silver, gold, platinum, IO nobody talks about because it's not there on the website. It'll never show you. If you fly business and first enough and often, that is the only way to get that status.
Wow.
Similarly, if you stay,
तो आदिल भाई आयो है.
नहीं भाई, अपन गोल्ड है, अपन बहुत खुश हैं गोल्ड के साथ. And for those of you who enjoy Emirates, the hack for Emirates that can take you long and far is Skywards Plus. So you get gold thanks to the ICICI
Yes.
Emerald card.
Yeah.
Then you buy Skywards Plus. Middle tier लेना 72,000 rupees का पड़ता है. This gives you 5 additional lounge access. So if you're traveling with friends and you have 4 friends, 4 friends आपके साथ Emirates lounge में आ जाएंगे because you can take guests in the lounge, not just to the Dubai lounge, any lounge in the world. So when I go for work trips and I have colleagues traveling with me, तो भाई चलो साथ में आते हैं lounge में. Because the joy of going to a lounge alone is
So
boring.
this is Skywards is the card.
No, it's an add-on membership.
It's an add-on membership on Emirates.
Oh, add-on membership.
It's an annual membership.
Oh,
I'll tell
okay.
you what happens. So typically when you buy the annual membership, right? उसके 3 टायर्स हैं. एक कुछ 55,000 का आएगा, एक 72,000 का आएगा, एक 95,000 का आएगा. इसमें क्या होता है? Whenever you upgrade, right, you get a 20% discount on the number of miles required.
Ah.
So for example, if you're doing, let's say, a business upgrade from Dubai to San Francisco, and if you booked a Flex Plus ticket, your miles requirement, let's say 60k, instead of 60k, you'll end up paying only 48k.
Got it.
Second part is, now you already got 10 kgs extra because of silver.
Yeah.
This gives you 10 more kgs.
Hmm.
And unlimited number of flights throughout there. Not one flight. So, and it gives you additional lounge access. And on classic rewards, which means you've not booked a revenue ticket.
Yeah.
You just want to use miles for your entire booking. On that also, you will get a 20% knockoff on miles.
Not bad.
Now, Emirates miles are very expensive to earn because
Very,
the card
very.
that you and I have is only 2.5% earn rate. My favorite hack for Emirates used to be the Amex Plat Travel, because you spend 4 lakhs, you would get 50,000 points, which would convert to 25k Emirates. That was my favorite hack. लेकिन अब तो बंद हो गया क्योंकि Amex transfer नहीं कर रहा है Emirates को. The only route that is possible, there are 2 routes. The first route is through the ICICI Emerald Emirates card. The second route is Marriott Bonvoy transfer. But Marriott Bonvoy transfer is expensive because it's a 3:1. Sure, there is a 5k bonus, but it's still a 1:1.
Opportunity cost of those points is high.
Correct. So anyways, so that's
Yeah.
the long and short of
Yeah,
it.
but that's a great summary. Like, I'm just going to round off this discussion because I get this question a lot, saying कि यार मैं तो बार बार business जाता हूँ, क्या मेरे पास still status होना चाहिए? I feel that status is important, more important than always, because see, there will be times where you will have to fly economy.
Exactly.
उस दिन,
Yeah.
you know, having your status matters. So that's my point of view.
Also, Emirates का status इसलिए important है, especially with Skywards. I am proof that if I have taken 10 flights in the last 2-3 years, let's say Emirates, minimum 10 अगर मैंने लिया as an average, right? On the shorter legs, which is Bangalore to Dubai or Dubai to Bangalore,
They'll
whenever
upgrade.
I've been in economy, complimentary upgrade. मेरे को पूछने की भी जरूरत नहीं पड़ती. The most magical thing is, आप जब जाओगे ना चेक इन करने के लिए, आपको इकोनॉमी का ही टिकट मिलेगा.
Gate पे.
1 hour before boarding, if you have the Emirates app and you just go into your app, तुम्हारा ग्रीन कलर का इकोनॉमी टिकट ब्लू हो जाता है. वो ब्लू हो गया तो भाई खुश हो गया क्योंकि ब्लू इज बिजनेस क्लास.
India
अगर वो रेड हो गया,
And that
First
is like a
class.
Skywards privilege, right?
that
Skywards.
is a Emirates. So Skywards Gold plus Emirates Sky.
Emirates Gold plus Skywards.
Emirates Gold plus Skywards Plus.
देखो, तुमको
वाह.
टीम का इनविटेशन आने से पहले इंडिया में अगर हो तो आदिल का इनविटेशन आना
आदिल का
चाहिए.
बहुत
फिर उसके
important है.
बाद तुम आगे
Important है.
टीम के लिए वैलिड हो.
ये genuinely बोलता हूँ
अरे
because
बस.
I don't think people have understand the power this gives you.
Yeah.
Because I'm telling you, पिछले 10 flights में यार 8 I have got upgraded without
crazy.
asking,
That's
which
crazy.
is wild. The hit rate is unbelievable, and this is not upgrading miles. ये free में हो रहा है आपका.
हाँ.
Yeah.
You're not
Just
using miles,
because-
correct? Yeah.
Just because of status, which is why I'm so loyal to Emirates.
हाँ.
नहीं तो otherwise there are so many
Yeah.
much more. Emirates is a very expensive mileage program.
Very expensive.
Very
Yes.
expensive mileage program.
And their revenue
But
tickets are also
they
expensive.
really take
Crazy
loyalty.
expensive.
Crazy.
Dude, I called him. I got frustrated. I said, तुम्हारा favorite airline. I was booking a flight recently
Yeah.
and I was like, I wanted to go Emirates. I was so badly. Like, तो ये इसका reply भी आता है. ये इनका रोज का नाटक है. He knows, like he understands that yeah, it's not easy.
But
Everybody
I'll tell you
cannot.
with one more story. I've said this to Dimant. I'm not sure we covered it on the pod, so Dimant will cover it for a second. So I am coming back from New York to Bangalore. Okay, I have enough miles in my account, and I want to get upgraded. I have gone 4 hours before to the airport. मैं चेक इन काउंटर पे पहुंचा हूँ. एक बंदा मेरे पहले था. एक ही सीट अवेलेबल थी बिजनेस में, उसने ली using miles. So the business cabin is sold out. I can't even do a cash upgrade. Cash upgrade मैं करता भी नहीं, but let's say I can't do a cash upgrade. Seats ही नहीं है. Very sorry sir, it's gone. But you know what? I'll put you on the wait list. Why don't you enjoy in the lounge? We come here and Emirates lounges are awesome. Even in US, they're
amazing.
phenomenal.
Phenomenal.
Right? मैं गया हूँ Emirates lounge में न्यूयॉर्क में, मैं बैठा हूँ आराम से. मैं जाती ही उसको बोला, मैम कैन यू सी? सर नो प्रॉब्लम सर, पुट यू ऑन द वेट लिस्ट. मैं 1.5 घंटे बाद वापस आया और कुछ हुआ क्या? आई एम सॉरी सर, टुडे लुक्स लाइक you're out of luck. No, बोला why? There are 7 platinums in front of you. So you know, like obviously
7 platinum एक तरफ, भाई
भाई
एक तरफ.
अब आएगा swag. अब आएगा swag.
नहीं बोलो तो
Suspense music loading.
नहीं गिव अप हो जाता ना यार
हाँ.
कि because platinums are obviously get higher priority.
हाँ.
चांस ही नहीं है because gold के ऊपर है platinum, चांस ही नहीं. बोला shit यार, चलो ठीक है, no problem. मैं गेट पे गया. गेट पे बोला अरे कुछ चांस है क्या? मैंने रिक्वेस्ट दिया था. I'm sorry sir. We have 7 platinums ahead of you, so it's not possible. If there's anything else we can do for you, let us know. मतलब कुछ नहीं यार, मैं गया. अब मैं एयरक्राफ्ट एंटर कर रहा हूँ. They greet you by name. If you're
ए, इसका प्लॉट का मैं ट्विस्ट फाइनल में बताऊंगा.
हाँ.
मिस्टर बंदूकवाला, प्लीज फॉलो मी. Sorry to steal your thunder. Go.
नहीं तो मैं गया उधर. एरोस्टेस बैठी. एरोस्टेस वेलकम्स यू मिस्टर बंदूकवाला. So good to have you back. Welcome back. My pleasure. Is there anything we can do for you today? यार अपग्रेड करा दो, माइल्स पड़े. She says, let me check. They have this fancy iPad. They check on the iPad. I'm sorry, sir. It's a full flight. But you know what? If there's anything I can do, please let me know. If you need a better seat, if there's something I can do, if there's a particular drink or a beverage you want. बोला कुछ नहीं यार, आप लाइट लो. नहीं है तो ठीक है. And I was not like economy, I was in premium economy. So premium economy is an amazing product in Emirates. So I was not that disheartened also. I get bad here. The head purser comes when we are about to take off. So sorry, sir. I know you requested, and they told me you requested in the lounge and you requested here also, but I don't have a seat today. होता तो हम कर देते हैं. Flight में अगर आपको कुछ भी चाहिए तो मेरे को बता देना. बोला चलो यार, forget it, no problem. Take off. Take off होता है 45 मिनट के बाद. The same air hostess comes and says, sir, you're still interested in that upgrade? We have a little more than 13 hours to go. Well, of course. Why don't you follow me, sir? सीधा ग्राउंड फ्लोर से फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे एयरक्राफ्ट के. शी गिव्स मी दिस सीट.
88
गया
business or first? This is business.
business. Premium economy, you only 1 level upgrade, 2 level नहीं मिलता. गया, मैं बोला उसको, how did you pull this off? Don't worry about it, sir. We appreciate your loyalty. बोला बाद में उसको I went to the bar and I just wanted to converse. How? कैसे हुआ ये? Sir, it's just that, you know, we knew that you wanted it so bad and you expressed it a couple of times. We bumped someone who was sitting in business to first and we gave you the seat.
So awesome.
Can you imagine? And this is not the icing on the cake. The icing on the cake, she did not debit my miles. I am exit because miles debit immediately हो जाता है, or for onward upgrades also. Emirates is the only airline in the world, by the way, that allows you to upgrade a seat when you're on the plane. Okay. On the plane. आप प्लेन पे हो, अगर सीट अवेलेबल है, अपग्रेड करो, सीट पे अपग्रेड करेंगे, माइल्स उधर ही डिडक्ट हो जाएंगे. अब 12 घंटे के बाद मैं निकल रहा हूँ एयरक्राफ्ट से. मैं उसको बोला, मैम do you need my frequent flyer number? You haven't deducted the miles. You have a great day, Mr. Bandukala. This is on us. Thank you for being an Emirates loyalist.
Emirate Gold.
Can you imagine? I'm not even platinum.
I'm so looking forward to my gold year now.
New KPIs unlocked.
No, so which is why I'm saying my learning has been Skywards plus gold. Emirates really takes care of
ये आदमी ना रुकेगा नहीं. प्रॉब्लम पता है क्या है? इसने मेरे पैसे खर्च करवा दिए, गोल्ड बनवा दिया. अब ये पता है स्काईवर्ड्स बेच रहा है मुझे. अब ये स्काईवर्ड्स बेच रहा है.
क्या करोगे ये पैसा लेके? किधर लेके जाओगे अपने साथ?
हाँ.
मैं बताऊं भी हमारी ऑडियंस को, भाई ने कितने घर बना लिए.
नहीं, आगे बढ़,
छोड़ो यार.
आगे बढ़.
Okay.
But honest, I asked this question, but I think one thing which I want to kind of in my eyes right now, because few days back I was cribbing about one of the other loyalty programs, जिनको आता ही नहीं, recognition करना ही नहीं आता है, right? I'm so looking forward to that comparison, saying कि boss, how a loyalty program should be and how it should not be. Give me a reason to be loyal, dude. Give me a reason to be loyal, and I will be loyal.
क्योंकि हमें loyalty की बात हो रही है ना, I want to give one more example. अभी just got back from Japan, now sharing this story with someone the other day कि our flight that was booked, return flight, was Osaka to Tokyo and Tokyo to Bangalore.
Crazy.
Yeah.
Now Tokyo to Bangalore जो मेरी flight थी वो 24 घंटे के बाद थी.
हाँ.
And JAL allows you to do this over a stopover booking, and that stopover was a free stopover and was a business booking end to end on award points. We've taken the flight, but the flight got delayed by 2.5 hours
At Osaka?
from Osaka to Tokyo.
Okay.
मेरी फ्लाइट अगले दिन नेक्स्ट डे है तो मेरे को कोई स्ट्रेस नहीं है
Stress
आराम
नहीं
से we are anyways chilling at the airport. There's a lovely lounge and we will share that story in another day. It's a beautiful lounge, amazing a la carte stuff in Japan, fantastic. Now we have landed. Here's the problem in Japan. 12 midnight to 5 a.m. in the morning, all public transportation is shut. No buses, no trains. Taxis are very expensive.
Very expensive.
Now, luckily, we are staying because we had only one night. I want to stay close to the airport, and we just wanted to pack that day. Because the other magic thing in Japan is you can send your luggage through the services that they have.
Oh.
So, when we reached in Tokyo, we stayed for 6 nights in Tokyo. Whatever clothes and shopping we did, we put them into bags and we dispatched it to Mercure Haneda. We didn't have to carry it to the next destination. We were going to Osaka.
Oh, brilliant. Brilliant.
Okinawa में we finished all our swimwear. जो भी वहां पे खरीदा dispatch कर दिया वापस ये होटल को. Osaka जब गए, we had very few bags.
Brilliant.
And so we had very few
And they
bags.
do inter-hotel transportation, right?
Arey, dude, you can go to the reception of the hotel and book that service.
हाँ.
All hotels are
तो
empaneled.
रिसेप्शन पे जा दो, बैग्स दे दो, वही फॉर्म भरेंगे, वो सब करेंगे. They'll charge you, just pay and done. But anyways, so that's brilliant. Anyways, so we are now, हमारे पास बैग नहीं, हम चिल कर रहे हैं, we're having a good time, we're having great food. फ्लाइट लेट हो गई, हम पहुंचे 12:15 बजे. हमें जाना है 10-15 मिनट की दूरी पे, जो ज्यादा दूर नहीं है. बट अभी तभी रियलाइज हुआ, अरे ट्रेन तो बंद है, अब उबर लेनी पड़ेगी. बैगेज बेल्ट के पास खड़े हैं 2 बैग्स लेने के लिए. There's a big queue that is formed near JAL counter. मैं बोला यार क्या है, जाके देखते हैं. JAL gives 15,000 Japanese yen per person to take a taxi or any service of your choice. In case you want a hotel to stay, you can take a hotel and stay that night. And you give them the receipt, they will reimburse 15,000 yen per person.
Wow.
That is the cost of the ticket that I paid. Can you imagine?
My God.
और मैं उसको पूछा कि मैम मैं ये कैसे करूं, मैं तो इंडियन हूं. Because she said scan this QR code, fill the form and हो जाएगा. तो मैंने QR code स्कैन किया, मैं फॉर्म भरा, भरने लगा था, but it said attach receipt. तो मैंने एक random receipt attach कर दिया टेस्ट करने के लिए workflow. And then I went to the next page, asked for a Japanese bank account. यार Japanese bank account तो अपने पास नहीं है, क्या करूं? तो बोली आपकी एक्सटेंडेड फ्लाइट कब है? मतलब कल है. एक काम करो, लाउंज में जाओ, आपका काम हो जाएगा. ठीक है. तो went to the Sakura lounge. It's a beautiful lounge again, business class lounge in the Tokyo Narita airport. वहां गया, वहां पे I went and said ये सीन हो गया था, हमारा डिले हो गया था, ये हमारे बोर्डिंग पासेस हैं और हमने टैक्सी ली थी, हमारा कोई 2,500 येन का, सॉरी कुछ तो 2,200 INR, 2,200 INR का टैक्सी फेयर
5,000 yen type sound.
तो she said, sir, okay, you give me a couple of minutes, I will circle back to you. She took 5 minutes, she came back. Sir, I can't solve your problem now because your headquarter or origin country is India. As soon as you reach India, na, our staff will meet you and they'll solve this for you. मैंने कहा चलो ठीक है, it's 2,200 only, क्यों दिमाग खराब करना है? No problem. Took it at face value, forgot about it.
Yeah.
अब इंडिया लैंड करें, I have just exited the aircraft. मैं उतरा हूँ एयरक्राफ्ट से, person standing with my name, बंदूक वाला आदिल शाहिद. Says, sir, we realized that your flight was late. We apologize for the delay. Sir, we noticed your receipt, which was for 2,200 INR. Here's 2,200 cash for you. Can you imagine? And acha, I have no one world status, no status on JAL. First time I have flown JAL in my life. First time. And it's not a revenue booking, it is an award booking.
Wow.
मैं लैंड किया हूँ, एनवेलोप में देते हैं. अगर कोई और होता, बोलता था ये अपलोड करो, यहाँ साइन करो, ऐसा करो, वैसा करो, कुछ नहीं. ये लोग कैश.
Dude, it's insane.
Mind-blowing.
I personally believe that, like I said, I was covering it, right? You give me a reason to be loyal, I'll be loyal. पूछ लो बादल से कि कभी अगली बार जाएगा तो वो जल लेगा कि नहीं लेगा. He doesn't need, he's not going to ask you कि 1000 रुपए महंगा है या 2000 रुपए महंगा है या 2000 माइल ज्यादा खर्च होने वाले.
I
That's
experienced
exactly the
Anna
point.
and I experienced Jal. The kids are more biased to Jal. You know why? As soon as we boarded the aircraft, they bought A350 planes and gave to both of the kids.
Yeah.
Jal planes.
The miniatures.
Yeah.
ये ऐसे छोटे वाले हैं.
Wow.
बहुत अच्छे हैं. Just give it to the kids. बच्चे बोलते हैं, and the kids also experienced an Anna flight. We went from Okinawa to Osaka in Anna. They were expecting now. उन्होंने नहीं दी. तो छोटा वाला बोलता है यार ये एयरक्राफ्ट अच्छी नहीं है. क्यों? बोलते नहीं, इन फ्लाइट एंटरटेनमेंट नहीं है और इसमें ये लोग ने टॉय नहीं दिया मेरे को.
Wow.
So
Kids being kids.
but I'm just saying, like, I feel like there are certain airlines that do loyalty and customer service very well in the world. Emirates is number one. Jal, fascinatingly, number two.
For every zero, there's a one. For every one, there is a zero.
Yeah.
So I want to come to quickly the flights. You took the Emirates. In my head, I want to understand if my plan is right. I am going to take the Delhi Helsinki. That's my plan. Whenever I go, either I go to Norway or I go to Finland or I go to Iceland.
Yeah.
Because one, it's easily available on points.
Yeah.
You can book it on Qatar.
Yeah.
You can book it on Finnair. You can book it on even Jal. It's a flight that you can take on multiple programs. It's a solid flight, very predictable. It's got that classic Finnair, not the lie flat bed. It reclines, I think, to 270 degree. I'm not sure exactly, but that's something the flight experience is. It's extremely,
And it's a direct flight. to
yeah, and
Nordic.
by the way, the best way to book it is on Qatar because the taxes are really cheap. I think if I'm not mistaken, business class mileage मुझे exactly याद नहीं है, but
90 की होगा.
हाँ, I think कुछ तो ऐसे ही है. But the taxes are just 2,000-3,000 rupees. It's crazy. And can I land in Helsinki and head to Iceland? If yes, how do I go to Iceland from there?
So Iceland has their national carrier called Icelandic Air,
Okay.
and fantastic
Connected.
airline,
Huh.
full service. It's not a no frill like that. But the flip side is that airline is not in any of the programs. Right? It's not part of Star Alliance or OneWorld.
Got it.
Or
So you cannot
like,
book it by points.
You just can't book it by points. They have
Sure.
their own mileage system and all that, which they call Saga Club. So most
Sagar?
of Saga Club.
मैं सागर से
सागर मतलब मैंने सोचा कि किसी और ने बनाया होगा वहाँ पे.
दिल ये पुकारे तू जो नहीं.
तो वहाँ से most of the connectivity in Iceland is through Icelandic Air. So more often than not, even if you will, I think Helsinki, you will get down at Helsinki, right? So from Helsinki to Reykjavik, which is the main connecting port, you will take an Icelandic Air. That's my guess.
Got it.
largely.
And how expensive are these flights? Scandinavia?
It is expensive. Like you will get somewhere around between $200 to about
Wow. Okay.
$350.
And these are like
About,
1 hour flights, 2 hour flights? Like
या
one and a half hour.
one way
to-
बोल रहे हो, return बोल रहे हो?
One way.
One way.
One way.
Oh, so they are pretty expensive.
They're pretty expensive. But Icelandic Air, we were going for the first time, and I think I'll cover this on the pod. I was trying to figure out how is this airline because I've never heard of this airline.
ये research थोड़ा मुश्किल ही होता है.
हाँ, and there were
From
no
India.
reviews and no reviews available on Icelandic Air because less people traveled and there was no experience sharing on that. तो मुझे पता नहीं था कैसी airline है, क्या है and all that. Guys, outstanding.
Okay.
Beautiful airline. Their aircrafts are very beautiful looking aircraft. Like they have like contrast of pink and grays inside. So very fresh. Sometimes you feel that it's very new, right? And the food is really good out there. They
I'm
serve
assuming
you
it's a light food that
light
you give.
food,
yeah.
but they give you variety. Very kids friendly. By the
Okay.
way, Iceland is a very kids friendly country.
Oh, that's
I'll
a good
come
one.
to
Is it
that.
stroller friendly as well?
Very, very, very stroller
Okay,
friendly.
nice.
So first time I've seen, so they have customized the experience to a level. So you have the entertainment system in the flight. So all flights are equipped with entertainment systems. Very nice looking contrast screens. So it's not dim screens and all that where you have to do that. So it's beautiful. The seats are well padded, like thick seats. So you can comfortably sit.
Unlike Demon's favorite airline.
Yeah, let's not talk about it.
Padding क्यों चाहिए यार? Your body is supposed to hit
हाँ.
metal. Come on.
Metal नहीं है वो साला प्लास्टिक है एल्युमिनियम है It pains in the butt.
दिल मतलब वो वाला दिल.
तो मतलब बहुत ही अच्छा था. उसके बाद यार एक्सपीरियंस देखो, तो बच्चे बैठे हैं and all that. They were distributing headsets. So we have two girl babies. So to girl babies, they have given pink headsets.
Very nice. Lovely.
And there was a couple sitting ahead of us. There's a boy. They've given them a blue headset. I was like, you guys have like, and for us it was like a black and grays,
Yeah.
जो भी available
हमको तो
है.
चलता हुआ अगर मिल जाए हेडफोन तो ये बहुत बड़ी बात है.
Here to this. They have a connecting port of 3.5 mm. It's not a two-way port. It's a
Oh.
one-way port. And headset is yours.
Wow, nice.
So my daughter just put it back and like
Like,
it's
take
yours.
it.
Take it.
Nice.
It's yours.
Nice.
So she still remembers that plane
Yeah.
because it's a small thing
Yeah,
at the end of
yeah.
the day. But its versatility of using that particular headphone and the color and it's just a small gesture.
Perfect. Perfect.
It's
So that
amazing.
These are little things that matter.
Matter a
much.
lot.
Matter much.
So now I have one route fixed in my head. One was you said Emirates from Bangalore to Dubai, Dubai to Sweden. Sweden,
Yeah,
right?
so I did Sweden, but
Correct.
you don't have to do Sweden.
No,
You
I'm
can
just giving
actually
one.
do-
I mean,
yeah, yeah.
He did Sweden because he
He
My
had
cousin
somebody-
stays there.
But I'm trying to see that that's an option as well, right? I mean, if you have
Yeah, yeah.
Emirates flyer and if you
Yeah,
want to, because I'm assuming it doesn't fly directly to
Reykjavik, it will not fly.
it not
directly.
fly, right? So that's one. आप दिल्ली टू हेलसिंकी the reason I chose Delhi to Helsinki is because I know कि मुझे हेलसिंकी से और एक फ्लाइट लेनी है.
हाँ जी.
Yeah.
तो इसलिए मैं I would prefer direct at least from
Yeah,
India,
yeah.
right?
Yeah,
So
yeah.
that
the
was
best
my thought.
connectivity from Bangalore is Lufthansa because it gives you Lufthansa Frankfurt, Frankfurt Reykjavik.
Okay, perfect. So that's a good
So it's a
option.
one hop flight, which is pretty good.
So then it makes more sense for
United
us
is-
because there's Aeroplan also that you
United.
can potentially use.
Yeah.
Along with Aeroplan, we can use KrisFlyer also because
Okay.
KrisFlyer has very good integration with Lufthansa.
Okay, great.
Along with that, I think it might be worthy of us doing research if we can use AI miles, Air India miles.
Sure.
Because Air India miles are looking interesting these days
Hmm.
with certain sweet spots.
Hmm.
I think that is another one that
बताओ
we
यार
can
क्या
But
potentially
you have
spot
United
है
as well, no? United can do
बिल्कुल-
Lufthansa.
बिल्कुल United.
So United can do Lufthansa because I have seen Lufthansa. The beauty of Lufthansa and United is there are days when
United group है group B है.
Group A है.
हाँ मैं ग्रुप बी के
Oh,
ऑप्शन ढूंढ
अच्छा,
रहा था
okay, okay.
क्योंकि एआई ग्रुप बी है
Fair.
एंड इन आवर कम्युनिटी इन द पॉइंट्स एंड माइल्स वर्ल्ड people have a phenomenal amount of group B in
Ah.
access and they don't know how to utilize.
Hmm.
So there Air India becomes a very cool unlock
Hmm.
if we are able to find.
But
However,
Adil,
Aeroplan
the
is
prob-
still.
the problem.
But एक minute, if you're flying solo, Avianca Life Miles might be a very good hack. Because in that, I think like for 90K Avianca Life Miles, which is equal to maybe 1,20,000 rupees, you'll get business class one way.
Yeah.
I
It
feel
is
very
fantastic.
liberated when I have a destination in mind. और अगर मुझे 3-4 राउट मिल जाए ना चूज करने के लिए, then it feels that okay, I will be able to do it eventually.
Yeah.
कोई पॉइंट से तो मैं कर लूंगा. Like for my example, my recent visit, I was stuck. Like मेरे को पता है कि मैं नहीं कर सकता माइल से, and then it feels like another chore to kind of
Yeah.
figure out revenue
Even
and
कभी भी
smart
Iceland
buy.
plan करोगे ना, कभी भी, whenever you want to plan it at least
Yeah.
10 to 12 months ahead.
Why is it?
That's a good question.
उसका reason मैं बताता हूँ because places to stay are limited.
Ah,
They
so they get sold out
very
pretty
well.
quickly.
Pretty
नहीं
quick.
यार ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट चीज हम भूल गए. सीजन बताओ. What
यार-
is the right month to go to Iceland to? Which
Yeah,
area-
actually,
times?
every month, but I'll tell you, I went into the shoulder season.
Which is
Shoulder season, which is like it is like ending of winters and beginning of summers.
month बताओ,
right?
बताओ.
So I went in May.
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 So I selected May as a month for two reasons. One,
बच्चों
it
की
is
छुट्टी होती है.
of course it is, but it is not that cold. It's bearable,
Okay.
right? Second, it's a lot of daytime available to you. So you can actually do a lot of activities
That's
through
good,
the day,
yeah, yeah.
right? And I was not so stuck about Northern Lights because with the child, I thought
Did you
कि
see
वो तो
Northern
अमृतसर
Lights
है.
or no?
No, वो
एक
possible
घंटे
ही
में
नहीं
क्या
है.
ही तुम
अरे एक घंटे में रात नहीं होती है. मैं बोल रहा हूँ वो शाम है. Actually, there is no dark zone at all. Absolutely no
And
dark
this
zone.
changes, if I'm not mistaken, in April end because in April Iceland is still told to have Northern Lights. Like
They told because dark time होता है थोड़ा.
हाँ,
मतलब
okay.
आप सोचो अप्रैल के अंदर the रात is happening at around 9:30.
Hmm.
So May beginning it is happening at 11.
Hmm.
Right? May and June starting वो 3 बजे हो रही है.
Got
तो
it.
suddenly you tend to see कि पूरे दिन ही
Perfect.
पूरा टाइम ही दे रहे हैं.
Perfect.
तो
perfect.
मेरे लिए वो टाइम बहुत बढ़िया था. But the other time of going Iceland is you can do in winters. Now winters is the thing is that you have 24-hour day night.
Day night
Night है.
no day.
No day. तो
Depressing.
day,
मेरे लिए तो
बहुत
depressing है.
depressing
Like
है.
I can't imagine not having sunlight.
Windstorms हैं, like ice storm, like it's crazy. But people say it's very beautiful because you tend to see, like November is a good time.
But does Iceland also have those options like Norway और फिनलैंड में जो होता है कि जो ऐसे आप इग्लू में रह सकते हो, आइसलैंड में भी है ऐसा कुछ?
हाँ, आइसलैंड में भी है. You have specialty hotels like that you can go. But my point, why I'm trying to say that you book ahead in time, excursions you have to book. मतलब यहाँ पे हमने सारे टूर्स 4 महीने 5 महीने पहले बुक कर लिए थे.
वो अच्छा ये भी कवर कर लो आपने क्या यूज किया, बिकॉज साउथ ईस्ट एशिया में सब लोग क्लूक यूज करते हैं. व्हाट आर द ऑप्शंस टू बुक एक्स्ट्रा, वेयर डू बुक अट्रैक्शंस फ्रॉम?
Interesting है. So you go figure out attractions on multiple sites like your like Vaya and other places. Kayak.
Viator, Kayak,
You will get it. You figure
I've
out.
seen that in Europe it is not as comprehensive as let's say Southeast Asia.
Sure.
But you book direct. So वहाँ पे जितने भी टूर्स हैं सबकी अपनी वेबसाइट है.
ओह अच्छा, ओके.
So what you do is you
Like
figure out a rate
fair.
कि यार इतने का रेट मिल रहा है मेरे को. Like for example a glacier trip we booked, the marketplace was showing somewhere around 32,000 rupees, right? We went direct and we figured out there was a discount code which was written there. Send them an email. So I went traditional. I said send them an email, ये है कुछ, is there a better discount code? They send me a discount and I booked it in 22K. Right? Straight away 10K per person बच जाता है.
That's
But
33%
interesting
right
thing
there.
ये है guys, if you don't book ahead in time, you will not get a preferred date and time. You have to compromise. Plus, like for example, Yokosuka Glacier, in which we went, there are 2 types of boats that go. One is a small boat that takes you well within the glacier till the end. And it's fascinating. The other is a big boat. The big boat is like तुम्हें कभी भी मिल जाएगी और वो उसके आधे दाम पे मिलेगी.
Yeah.
और वो 1 घंटे का ही टूर होगा. बट 1 घंटे से ना मन नहीं भरता है. You want to spend more time in the lagoon, right? Icebergs हैं यार चारों तरफ. जो छोटा वाला बोट है 2.5 hours.
Yeah.
Right? And it's a speciality suit and all they have to make you wear because you are going deep in there and like.
Yeah.
पर उसके slots limited होते हैं क्योंकि वो बोट छोटी है. उस बोट पे आएंगे कोई 10 लोग, बड़ी बोट पे आएंगे 40 लोग. So number of people it can carry is like 4 times. And it's a smaller duration. It's 1 hour. So it can do multiple trips, multiple people. So तुम्हारे को उसकी availability हमेशा मिलेगी. छोटे वाले बोट की availability कम मिलेगी. और वो ही interesting होती है लेने के लिए बोट. तो आपको पहले बुक करना है. Another interesting point. Book everything in advance. They are so friendly people. There is no cancellation charge on any tour.
How awesome is that?
Yeah.
You never get to see that.
I have cancelled on the same day and booked it on the same day. They say there is no refund within 24 hours. They say there is no refund within 24 hours. हमारा प्लान चेंज हो गया कि हमने एक दिन कहीं पे और ज्यादा टाइम स्पेंड कर लिया, अब हम नहीं कर पा रहे टूर, हमें को शाम को जाना था, अब नहीं कर पा रहे. तो I cancelled it. I sent them an email. We were unable to do this. Can you please adjust? They said no problem. We'll adjust it. No charges. So they don't charge.
Brilliant.
They say I will charge you 24 hours ahead, of course, because they don't want people to misuse it and respect it. But still, they are
But
so
genuine
nice
customers,
people.
they'll figure out and yeah.
They will do it. There is no problem to do it.
Hey, by the way, one thing which I missed in the flight section also is that is there also connectivity via Oslo?
होगा, मैंने चेक नहीं किया. और ऑस्लो से होगा. नॉर्डिक कंट्री से है ही.
So Oslo will also have Icelandic flights, and so if you land in, so sir, I think for us, I think it will be important to see whether you can get it the best deal via in Helsinki or in Oslo, and if you can get the Lufthansa directly to Reykjavik, so that will be
So long as you can optimize for Star Alliance, I think you're sorted.
Yeah.
Udit has a great revenue hack for Emirates. But then I think if you want to do an award redemption, Star Alliance, pick any partner and solve for that. But keep in mind that when doing Star Alliance, then you might get 2 seats max.
Yeah.
Right? Third seat ke liye you'll have to do revenue.
Yeah.
Just keep that in mind.
Yeah.
And then if you're going solo, phir to this is amazing for you.
Yeah.
There are insane amount of options
So
that you can
I have
use.
also have a hack for the hotels because I was researching it for the largest period of time. Scandinavia mein there is no Accor, and Bonvoy is also very little presence. I mean they are there, but either they're too expensive or like they're not the hotels that you want to stay in. So one of the hacks that I found out was that Avios has a way to get converted to Nordic hotels, right? Using Avios. So if you're sitting on a lot more Avios, that's one option. Second, there is a man-made disaster that Axis caused, which is when they force people to move points to certain programs. So a lot of people are stuck into JAL. They have lakhs and lakhs point in JALs, and they don't have any Japan plans, for example, or JAL plans.
I'm looking at one guy. By the way.
I'm one of those. And what you can do is on the JAL website, there is a way in which you can book revenue hotels using JAL points.
Oh,
Wow.
nice.
It's like currency.
Value अच्छा मिलता है
Decent hai. I would say it will reduce by half. But,
Oh,
it's better
50%,
than,
हाँ.
but then it's better than wasting the
क्या?
complete
Yeah,
JAL
not
stash.
What is the
3-year expiry, hard expiry.
hard expiry?
My miles are expiring in November 2026. If I don't use those, they are gone.
Can your friends use your points?
No, they cannot. I have been happy to.
You can
no,
book
I'm
it for
genuinely-
us.
I'm genuinely
You can
happy
book
to
it for us.
like.
साथ में चलो,
हाँ, I'm happy to do
वो
that.
तो कर सकते हैं ना?
Yeah, बिल्कुल. Another F1
चलो
race में
वॉइस ट्रिप प्लान कर लेते हैं.
Another F1 race में
हाँ,
भी.
हम तो तैयार हैं.
करेक्ट है. बताओ कब
No, no,
करनी
sir.
बुकिंग.
No, coming back to the point. I mean, points से.
देखो कैसे
अरे,
काया बदल दी भाई ने. ये देगा नहीं गुज्जू आदमी.
नहीं देगा.
मैं देने को ready हूँ. So 2 ways. One is Nordic Hotels Avios. Second is JAL. Using revenue conversion on the JAL website, you can find it. It's not easy. Go to the JAL website, do a little research. You can actually do it. So that's my plan. At least कि अगर मेरा नहीं हुआ, the next trip probably I'll use any destination I go. I'll use JAL points for booking hotels as well.
नाइस.
Cool. चलो एक रैपिड फायर करते हैं. Okay.
Perfect.
रैपिड फायर के बाद we'll wrap up. Cool. So सोचना नहीं है, फटाफट आंसर देना. Okay. Udit first, Deeman second. We'll keep swapping one by one. So Udit, best time to visit Iceland?
May.
December.
One must-do experience.
Snorkeling in the tectonic plates.
I want to go on the glacier. I mean, that sounds exciting.
Splurge versus save. What's worth every rupee?
Splurge.
Splurge.
किस पे splurge करोगे?
Experiences out there.
कौन सा experience? एक experience.
Out there. Like there are many. Like
Pick one. सबसे दिल के करीब.
glacier.
The drive. I'll get a great car.
One thing you wish you'd known before the trip.
Actually मैंने बहुत रिसर्च करी है तो पता नहीं. I knew a lot of Iceland before going to Iceland.
Your perfect card combo for Iceland. आप कौन से कार्ड्स लेके गए थे और will that change now?
So मैं तो Emirates
हाँ.
ICICI Emerald कार्ड लेके गया था
हाँ.
और Amex Plaid.
हाँ.
But now I think if I have to do my card thing now, so I will take Burgundy and Scapier.
Okay.
6% no forex Burgundy private. No questions asked.
Wow.
Swag अलग है.
Swag अलग है.
No,
अब Burgundy
in-
private है
no,
boss.
No, boss. I'm telling you, in Italy, it hurt less because of the reserve card. It
Yeah.
was mind blowing.
15% is-
12%
yeah.
back on every
Crazy.
spend. Crazy.
If you had 250,000 points today, how would you spend them there?
I would book business class to Finnair, the Finnair one, Delhi, Helsinki, and back. Full business class.
वाह. मुझे तो पूछना पड़ेगा तुमसे कि कैसे खर्च करूं. To be very frank,
He will have to call Adil.
yeah, I have to call. If I have 250,000
यार,
points, I have a vacation in mind.
बहुत सिंपल.
I
अगर
say
आपके
hello.
पास 250 के है, Emirates business class return, solid. उससे
ये
अच्छा
दुखी
है
है
ही नहीं.
कि दोनों ने आंसर नहीं दिया Emirates तो मैं
Emirates
बोल देता
मैं बोल देता
हूँ.
हूँ.
देखो, I didn't say which point. 250 के किधर के भी मैंने बोला.
एक बनिया.
मैं तो
नहीं,
बोलता
नहीं,
फर्स्ट क्लास कर लो यार. Why
सर,
not?
एक बनिया एक गुज्जू हम लोग टैक्सीज भी देखते हैं.
हाँ,
हम लोग को टैक्सीज ही भरना पड़ता है उसके ऊपर.
हाँ, करेक्ट है. बट अगर मुझे चांस मिले,
भगवान ने इतना दिया है, क्या टैक्स
टैक्स इसी के चक्कर में खिंचवा दिए इसने पैसे.
इतना भगवान ने दोनों को ब्लेस किया है.
I swear. क्या बात.
Chalo, but with that, I think it's time to call this a wrap. Udit, thanks so much for coming. So, people who are tuned into the podcast, sometimes it just baffles me the kind of people we know and the kindness of people. We are recording this on, I won't say the day because it'll get tricky. We're recording it on a particular morning at 9 a.m. IST. Okay, I have called Udit last night at 8 p.m. IST and I've told him, bro, we're doing this podcast, आपको आना है. And he's like, यार मेरी एक मीटिंग है. And I have been audacious enough to tell him, यार move करा दो. But such a kind guy, he said, ठीक है मैं आ जाऊंगा. So, sir, thanks so much for coming यार.
मजा आ गया सर. थैंक यू सो मच. मतलब इज्जत अफजाई हो गई आज हमारी आपके पॉडकास्ट पे आके.
Honestly, like for me, I think this would have been a long phone call when I was going to Iceland. Now, I mean, I still call you, but it will be a shorter phone call because it almost feels like I got the entire dump in a day. It's like, I'm just happy that I can plan my Iceland trip, and I'm 100% sure every audience is at least going to get 30-40% of their Iceland trip sorted just by watching this podcast.
Yeah.
Right? So thank you so much, Al.
Thank you. Thank you.
आदरणीय धीमन जी, शुक्रिया आने के लिए. Like always, thank you for all the effort and for crafting the one pagers that you do, जिसके आधार पे हम ये podcast बनाते हैं और shoot करते हैं. Thank you for coming.
Welcome.
And Zed, if you're watching, Zed's my brother. People love the guy. He owns this chain called Zed the Baker. They have 10 amazing patisserie houses in Bangalore. Love the Benedict here, which is the masala keema Benedict. If you like a good avo, they have amazing avo also. The thing you should try though for breakfast here, which is my number one recommendation, spiced prawns on toast. If you like spicy food, if you like a good sardo, come here, have the spiced prawn toast. बहुत सही है. Zed, again, we called you just 48 hours before and we said, yeah, we'd love your location to shoot on a weekend, and you didn't even flinch. Thank you so much, Zed. And with that, to all of you, thank you for tuning in. देखते रहो, like बटन दबा दो यार और subscribe कर लो, because if you subscribe, you'll get all the good content coming your way on a very regular basis. So with that, this is Adil, Dhimant and Udit signing off from the Great Indian Points and My Show.
Flashing bright, we're on the go. Tune in now, there's so much to know. Earning bits, travel dreams we sow. All aboard the Great Indian Points and Miles Show. Zero to hero in the blink of an eye. Fly first class, no need to be shy. Redemption sweet, touching the sky. Award seats booked, let's give it a try. Award seats booked, let the points flow. It's all aboard the Great Indian Points and Miles Show. Unlocking journeys wherever you go. The sky's the limit, feel the travel mojo. Hidden treasures in every flight. Nights in places that feel so right. From deserts to the city lights. Get set, steal those dazzling sights. Miles stack up each passing day. Rewards come back in a million ways. In this game you want to play the Great Adventure, yay! Award seats booked, let the points flow. It's all aboard the Great Indian Points and Miles Show. Unlocking journeys wherever you go. The sky's the limit, feel the travel mojo.